We're getting ready to go live, boys.
It's that time of year again. Kool-Aid man, you ready for Christmas? Oh yeah. Yeah. All that really want for Christmas. All that really want for Christmas. All that really want for Christmas is everything on my list, baby. Hey. All that really want for Christmas. All that really want for Christmas. All that really want for Christmas is everything on my list, baby. Hey. Having a party on Christmas Eve, and I got a whole lot of Christmas glee. Whole lot of gifts I like to
All I want for
see.
Christmas. All I want for Christmas. What's going on? It's another day, another dollar.
Yeah.
All I really want for Christmas is a pop firm account. All we really want, all I want for Christmas. All I really want for Christmas. We're back. Happy Christmas. Oh, he's gone again. He's gone. You money, the camera said
So much food is like a buffet. I got this. I'm the king of Spain. Little kids and your dancing real silly. Trying to do that dance like Millie. Why you like it when I wear my grilly? Little snowman, awesome chili. Feliz Navidad, no big dog, more Kool-Aid. Oh yeah. Yeah. All I really want for Christmas. All I really want for Christmas. All I really want for Christmas is everything on my list, baby. Hey.
What you want for Christmas, D? What you trying to get for Christmas, D?
I don't know.
What does D Money want for Christmas?
Good morning, chat. I don't know, PW. I'm grateful, man. I'm grateful.
Just world peace.
World peace, no baby mama drama.
No baby mama drama. Hey,
I think that's what I want.
I wish that
Christmas.
for you myself, honestly. I do. I wish that you could have a maybe Christmas, maybe Christmas for me.
Warm and near.
All right. We are back. We went fishing on Friday. That was fun. We did a little fishing on Friday. Landon was there. Tell us, Landon, how did D Money do? Hold on one second. How did D Money do fishing there on Friday? Were you impressed or were you not impressed?
Oh, I was impressed. You did really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
really
hey,
good.
that was my first time.
Yeah.
DC fishing, so
First time fishing. He was a
Yeah.
first time fisherman.
So
All right.
had a good time, guys. New experiences,
And
you know.
we made some money.
And we made some money, yeah.
Just made
First
some
trade.
money.
Yeah, that breakout trade or hey, that ORB trade played.
Yeah.
And we looking bullish today. So could be a similar scenario.
All right. Well, we got Landon in the house. We got D Money in the house. We're trying to make a little bit of money today. Trying to make a little bit of money. What do we got? Looking here at the charts. We've got the Nasdaq. We were just talking about this. D Money and myself were talking about this kind of chart right here, right? The daily chart looks pretty bullish.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I mean, I'm not trying to predict the future here, but it don't look bearish.
Nah, it doesn't.
Right? Friday, that big move up on Friday was a very, very important move too, because, well, they broke out there on the daily, kind of that daily trend line to the downside. Broke above the Thursday high and the Wednesday high. So breaking above Thursday high, the Wednesday high, closing at the high of week, the weekly candle closing there at the highs. I mean, you got to think that's kind of bullish.
Yeah.
Looking a little, it's like a weird kind of like head and shoulders type move. It's end of the week as well. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. So we're kind of thinking end of year rally.
Yeah. That's what
Right?
I'm thinking,
It
right?
kind of makes sense. End of year, go to the moon. You know, make a little bit of money. What do you think, Landon?
What I think?
What you eating over there?
Energy, snack bar.
I went to the smoothie shop this morning. I go to Smoothie King every morning, right? And it is the most insane thing that how many times I've been and they're not open. They open at 7. I got there at 8. They're not open.
Yeah, you know what's funny?
It's
I
crazy.
noticed you had Tropical Cafe today.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh, he switched it up.
Yeah, so like, it's just crazy. It only takes one employee to open, and they still can't get people to like actually come, you know, and open the store.
Yeah.
Is that just like, I don't know, is that just the state of the world that we're living in? Like,
Yeah, it's hard to find good talent and retain good talent. That's the thing. Like, and the sad part about it, sometimes you go in places like that and they're like, it's like you're inconveniencing them because you're the first one in there.
I gave the woman on Friday or on Thursday of last week, I gave her a $100 tip on my $10 smoothie.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know, I told her, I was like, thank you for bringing positive energy, right? Every morning I go in there, she's like, Patrick, good to see you, you know, happy, energy, positive.
Yeah.
And she started crying because she's like, no one's ever, you know, given me that big of a tip. And I was like, I was gonna say something else, but you know, I was like, hey, honestly, like it makes my day better, right? I go in there and it's not like this awkward exchange where you're like, hi, can I order sorry, can I please get one smoothie, please? I know you're busy, but can you please, like, then the funny part is, like, go in there most times, there's never anyone in there. You know, it's 7 o'clock in the morning and like they just open, so. Oh man, yeah, you should have filmed it. Then I could have been like Jay Dunn. That was my plan actually, but she told me that I couldn't film her. It was weird. I was like, hey, do you mind if I film you while I give you this money? She said, no, thank you. All right, well, pulling up the charts here. It's the, how many more days till Christmas, Landon? Where are we at? How many more days until Christmas? You don't even know what day Christmas is?
Well, obviously I know what day Christmas is, but I don't even know what day it is.
You don't know what day it is today?
Well,
Sir,
3
it
more
is
days.
Monday.
3 more days. Well, I knew. Okay, I knew that.
All right, well, that's good.
3 more days.
Good news that you knew.
Good news that I knew.
Good news that you knew. All right. So we're getting ready for market to open up here. Still got plenty of time. It's not even 9 o'clock yet. We got a lot of action today. It's Monday. Christmas is on Thursday. Christmas Eve, Wednesday. We will not be streaming probably Thursday, Friday, obviously, for the holidays. And then the rest of the year, kind of up in the air, depending on just life and weather and if there's any other opportunities to do something else. So we'll see what happens. Getting ready here for market to open up very, very soon. Pulling up the chart here again. As we can see on the chart right now, we did gap up there. You can see Friday just getting real tight there. Broke through those highs. Big gap up here. 25,000 was the close. 25,570 area of the close. So we're up about 150 points, maybe getting close to 200 points here to the upside. So happy birthday, Eric.
Yeah.
Eric.
I saw that, yeah.
And we also got a $20 tip. Ocala getting another Warbucks payout. Hey, Ocala, I'm going to need you to slow down on them payouts, sir. No more payouts for 2025, sir. We're going to have to ban you. All right, I'm sorry, but that's the business, all right? That is the business, all right? Hey, Patrick, have you heard about funding ticks? I've heard about it. I posted on Twitter kind of where we're at. We delisted funding ticks from the onlyprofirms.com website. Obviously, we haven't talked about them here on the channel for quite some time as well. So, was kind of giving them the benefit of the doubt. Hopefully, they could have kind of given me more clarity on what they were going or what they were doing. But I posted this morning, delisted. That's really all I can do, right? At the end of the day, like, I can talk to companies, I can vet them, I can do as much due diligence as I want, but I can't stop the company from changing rules and doing stuff in the future. When they first launched, I thought, you know, they really had something good going on. It seems that maybe they kind of had different plans. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm still kind of giving them the benefit of the doubt. They've had funding pips, been around for a long time. I doubt that funding ticks is going to go away by any means. I think they're just, if anything, they're going to do those retroactive rule changes and stuff, and then they'll just kind of move forward. So right now, I mean, it's fucking bullish.
Yeah, it's bullish.
Not really much to do here. What do we got in terms of resistance coming up here? We are kind of filling this gap here, actually. There was that Thursday night gap. Back there, Thursday 11th December 11th, we did have a pop. I think we had some earnings that night. We gapped down at 6 p.m. open. So there's that there that we're kind of filling right now. And if we look hourly chart, kind of where that next level of resistance, I would say 25,860.
Yeah, that's what
You got what? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
4 hourly candles getting stuck there.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty wild move on Friday. That move at open, me and D Money both said, I mean, I'm not going to speak for him, but I was looking at it pretty bullish for that move at open there on Friday. You can see at open, we ripped up 200 points. We were day trading live on the boat, so that was cool. D Money caught his first sailfish.
Yeah, that was crazy.
D Money got the sailfish. Landon was there. What'd you catch, Landon?
I caught cobia.
Oh yeah, you did get
Yeah,
cobia.
yeah, you did get, yeah. Yep.
My first cobia.
Yeah, got the cobia on the jig.
That was so sick.
We went fishing the next day. Landon got like 5 mahi, 2 sailfish. It's always hard. I'm like, I don't want to give it to him, but I give it to him. I'm like, I'm like, oh, there's a sailfish. I'm like, oh, you can have it, Landon. Damn it. Because during the tournaments, he ain't getting it. Say, back up, boy. But he's working hard. He's got to keep putting in the time. More practice, and then maybe he'll get the opportunity to catch a sail during the tournament. I mean, when there's millions of dollars on the line,
Yeah.
you gotta be strategic in it.
Did you guys throw?
It's not that Landon, I don't think that he can't do it. It's just that it's gonna be harder for him, right? Because the fish obviously is bigger and all that. Like for me, I got big muscles. I'll fucking just pull that bitch right in the boat. But yeah, Landon, you're getting there. I think next summer, you're probably gonna hit like a big growth spurt coming up. 13, going into high school soon, so you'll probably hit a nice little growth spurt. You gotta keep eating though. You don't want to be like D Money, man. He never ate, so he never grew. He stayed skinny forever.
Oh, man.
Were you skinny when you were? I mean, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
Skinny when you were a kid.
Oh, 100%.
So it is true. Like just like Jerome said, you were a skinny little nerd.
Yeah,
Oh man.
That guy Jerome.
Yeah, he texted me over the weekend. It was like, oh man, what are you doing next week? Let me hang out. I'm gonna come by. I just got a little extra money. Got a little extra money in my bank account. Let me come trade.
He got a tax return advance or something.
Oh shit, yeah. No, I think
yeah.
that might have, yeah, probably.
That's the roll.
Got that 420 return. All right, so we are getting ready here for market open up. Got about 30 minutes still. No rush, no time. I mean, no rush really. Yeah. So.
Did you guys throw the mahi on the grill?
Oh yeah. We had mahi tacos last night.
Nice.
Dude, look at fucking silver. Silver is just going on a absolute fucking tear right now. Since February, silver right now, from February till now, is up 200%. Or I mean, even that was 2024. So yeah, look up from here, about 100% this year so far. Which for an asset that normally never really goes anywhere,
Yeah.
it's a pretty big move. So I'm interested to see where silver ends up end of the year, and then do we get a pullback at some point? It's funny because I bought some silver coins like, I don't know, 5-6 years ago for like $18 a pop.
Mm-hmm.
So that would have been, yeah, like 2022. I think I bought some silver coins. Not enough to like retire on, but I was like, oh, that'd be fun to like just buy some silver coins, you know?
Yeah.
I only bought like 5 million worth, so, you know, not enough to live on, but just enough to have. Right, Landon? Yeah. What's the one thing that the world doesn't know about your dad that you know?
I don't really know.
You don't even know? You playing Roblox over there?
No, I don't play that.
You don't play Roblox no more?
No, I don't. play
Pokemon?
that.
Fortnite?
Nah.
I played. Me and Landon played Fortnite the other night. I was top 25. Top 25.
Nice.
He didn't even win.
I won.
You didn't win that one.
I was supposed to win. and
Yeah,
then-
you're
and then
supposed to win.
The
He's-
game broke.
You ever heard that one before? Oh yeah, no, I was supposed to
win.
win. You know, like the chart. You know, hey, I was supposed to win that trade.
Yeah, but I didn't even lose. It was just because the game crashed.
Yeah, no, I know. That's you were trading on that one platform that always crashes. So you gotta be careful with that, man. Choose your platforms wisely. Big shout out to Trade of 8 Prop here. Another day of no issues, no problems, living the dream. Getting ready for the market to open here.
Yeah, O-Town, you cannot reset a PA, Apex PA account. You have to start back over with the evaluation, unfortunately.
I mean, right now we're just at the all-time. I mean, the overnight high right here.
Yeah, it's trying to pump again now.
Hey, I think loud. You clicking on your, unless you're placing a trade. Still pumping. Fucking hourly chart. We had that go bull flag there, breakout, kind of like that 7 o'clock candle. Up 60 points since then.
Yeah.
Obviously got a big gap to the downside from Friday. But I've said this a million times, right? Just because there's a gap there does not mean it gets filled. Sometimes the fact that there is a gap there is just even more bullish, because it's like that gap and go, it's just gonna, all the bears are gonna be like, oh, this is a short.
Yeah, they're all thinking it's a
This
short.
is a short.
Yeah.
This is a short.
yeah,
and
it
how
doesn't
easy
have to
can
be
we
right
go
now.
from 760 to 860?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be right now.
You know, I think maybe we run 860 and then there's a short opportunity, but like just right here where we're at, 860 seems like the most reasonable place to fuck everybody, because it's like, if you're waking up this morning, you're seeing this big gap up and you're like, oh, I'm gonna short this fucking thing, and then what happens? Denied, destroyed,
Yeah.
game over.
If we really get momentum to the upside past that 860 level, then obviously we're kind of saying before we started the stream, 26,000 plus is in play, chat. So that's how we're kind of reading it. The weekly chart, if you look at the weekly chart, I mean, you can kind of see where you had the high, the all-time high basically that was put in, then you had a retracement down, then you had a pump back to the upside, and then you had a small retracement on one weekly candle, and now you got expansion back up to the upside, right? So there's really nothing, and that's what PW is kind of saying. Like, we don't really see anything, guys, that would basically kind of hold us back from that,
Obviously,
that
we're not
rally.
saying we're not saying it's guaranteed to
Yeah,
go up.
yeah, we're
but
not saying it's guaranteed, but it's
I'd
looking
say
pretty
the
good.
percentage of it going down versus going up is higher.
I
The
agree.
odds of it going higher here are higher than it going down.
Yeah,
but
based off
still,
what it's
obviously,
looking like.
you know, maybe we get a big dump at like a quick dip down at open, tap that VWAP area, and then like a rip back up. I expect volatility either way, man. Going into Christmas time, kind of that end of the year. You know, everybody's kind of just looking to make a little bit of money. And also, like, do you want to be bearish, you know, around Christmas time? Come on now.
Yeah, that's
You know, you trying to be a little happy.
Yeah.
You trying to, you know, be a little happy. Try to make a little bit of money, be a little happy. So we'll see. I got to make $250 in my Tradeify account, just like I did on Friday. I wish I was fishing again. It's windy this morning. I told D-Money I was either going to go fishing this morning or going to go day trading, depending on the weather. Luckily for you guys, bad weather today, so darn, it's windy. Landon wanted to go fishing more than he wanted to go trading, but he's a good sport. He's a good sport. All right, by the way, Apex got about, I think, 2 days left on that 80% off sale. They've got a big sale right now. Resets are only $25. $25 resets and all that other fun jazz. It's funny, when I went to the gym this morning and then went home, obviously, and getting ready for the morning open and all that, and like mentally, man, I'm just like I'm I'm just like, I'm in the holiday spirit. I'm ready for the I don't
Ready
know.
for
It's like,
you
know, like it's hard to be like, oh, just kind of want to get through it. Just want to enjoy it. I want to be sitting there just looking at the Christmas presents for the rest of the week, not looking at this. So I'm gonna try to get it quick today. Couple trades, D. Couple trades and I'm gone.
Yeah.
I ain't sticking around. Staying green for the holidays, baby. That's the plan. Stay green for the holidays. Nothing worse than being red during Christmas. What do you guys getting your friends and girlfriends, boyfriends? Who got like a really good Christmas gift for Christmas? Who got something cool? I want to see what's cool. What they got? What'd you get for your daughter? Anything out of the ordinary?
Nah, just a lot of like learning toys and.
Can you get it?
Yeah.
It's probably Amazon.
A lot of learning toys, stuff like that. Some new
learning toys.
Yeah, learning toys.
Dude, all she needs is an iPhone.
I know, right? I got her like a little tablet. She loves that kind of stuff.
Oh yeah. I remember when Landon was 2, man. He loved that shit. Get him a little. They had a little kid tablets and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
He used to love Mickey Mouse Clubhouse too, didn't you, Landon?
Man, she's
all Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Man,
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
She's all about Miss Rachel. Miss Rachel on Netflix, man. It's all day.
Yeah, you know Miss Rachel?
I've never.
You never watch it, but you know of it.
Yesterday, that was my whole day yesterday. Miss Rachel all day.
Miss Rachel
yesterday.
all day
Oh, man.
on repeat. Oh
On repeat.
man!
And like, if you try to go to something else, she's literally like waving her hand like no. She points her finger like no, like she's like no. So you gotta go back to Miss Rachel.
Mike J said that he bought his kid a go-kart.
Nice.
That's pretty sick. That sounds expensive. Everyone I talked to about that, they said it's really expensive doing the go-kart stuff. Rachel will get old real quick. Vision manifested said.
Yeah. But I'm not gonna lie though, it's very like educational for toddlers and stuff though.
Yeah.
Chat. So I can't
Learn
lie.
anything on there?
No, I mean it just it's very positive.
I'm saying
Very
maybe
positive.
maybe you'd be like, oh, I learned a little.
Yeah.
Other day.
Very positive.
I learned 2 + 2 = 4. I
So
forget.
that's all
I'm
I'm
bad at math, so it'd probably be good for me to watch some Miss Rachel maybe.
Somebody said the Wiggles.
The Wiggles. Yeah, Landon got. What'd you get for Christmas, Landon? Is it here? It's not here yet.
Not here yet.
Tell us what you got.
A bike.
What kind of bike? You didn't get just a bike. You got a
Super 73.
Super 73 e-bike.
Yeah.
Hey, so
I told Landon
keep it
multiple
away from
times,
Jerome.
like, keep an eye out, man. Those
Yeah.
fucking people driving around, they ain't looking for you. So people are dangerous. That's what people always ask me, like, oh, why don't you buy a why don't you buy a motorcycle or something? And it's not that I don't want to have a motorcycle. It's the fact that like people are it's too dangerous. South Florida's got to have the worst drivers in the world.
Oh, we're ranked like.
I mean,
we're actually ranked #1 in the country.
Yeah, I think from like basically here until the airport, they say it's like the most dangerous like stretch of highway in the world, or like in America. So.
Yeah, it is. I mean, I think a lot of that's like obviously like tourists like though coming down and stuff, and they're kind of like confused with like that new construction with like 595 and all that. But as far as drivers though, we got the worst drivers in the country.
I mean, I don't want to sound like that guy, but I think I know who it is. It's all these people from other countries that move here and never had a fucking license.
It's crazy.
I mean, that's the crazy part, right? Like when you grow up in America, like as a kid, you kind of learn the rules of the road, right? You kind of learn, like you watch your parents, you see how your parents drive, then you kind of get your permit, you learn how to drive, you see all this stuff. But like if you're from another country and you're fucking 30 years old, you come here and it's just like, hey, I want my license. They're like, oh yeah, no problem.
Man.
I'm amazed, like Uber drivers, dude. The other night I had an Uber Eats driver.
The worst.
This motherfucker.
The worst.
Like on the map, man. Right? On the Uber Eats map, it has a little pin, right? There's a little pin.
Yeah.
And it says like deliver food here.
The location, yeah.
Right? This motherfucker just like passed my house, kept on going, and then calls me, and I'm like, they're like, oh, I can't find your house, and I'm like,
oh yeah.
I'm like, look at the app, man.
Man.
Look at it. Like, it's amazing. I don't understand how people are that fucking retarded.
Yes.
I don't understand it. Someone said, is Landon going to trade today? You going to trade today, Landon?
Yeah.
He's got one account, with $5 million in it. What are you thinking? Looking at the charts, sir.
Well, well, I wanted to go up. So,
You want to go up?
but
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna do that right away. Maybe
Yeah.
mess around for a bit, go up.
Mess
eventually.
around for a bit. You got to be careful because sometimes it does want to mess around for a bit. So I like
Yeah.
that you're being aware of that. You know, good thing to be aware of.
Yeah.
It's a good thing to be aware of, son. Good thing to be aware of, son. I went through Atlanta once, never again. Yeah, you got to watch out. Jerome, man, he be sitting there in Atlanta just trying to get everybody. Trying to get you. They do want Jerome be doing those deals where they put a car in front of you, and the car in front of you hits the brakes, and then the car behind you slams into you. Little oh,
No
my
insurance,
neck.
insurance fraud.
Oh, my back.
Yeah, my neck and my back.
My back and my neck.
They're saying, PW, can you address the funding ticks rumors?
I mean, we dropped funding ticks from onlyprofirms.com, so that says enough, I think. I know they made some retroactive changes to their rules and things like that. I posted on Twitter kind of just the whole ordeal. I don't know. It basically, when I first started promoting Funny Ticks, I had a bunch of meetings with them. We talked to them, kind of had the whole idea, blah, 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 and all that. So yeah, they just kind of just stopped communicating with me. And at that point, I think that's where things started getting a little interesting. So somebody asked, who's that kid? That's my son. Yeah, not Victoria. Victoria has no kids. Did you guys get the Lucid email about chargebacks? I did not get an email about the chargebacks. Let me see. Was it like a email sent out to everybody?
Yeah, I think it was a general email sent out to everybody, to be honest. I got the same email.
I mean, that's it's just kind of like, you know, just kind of
Yeah, it's
going.
so ideally, like right now, I mean, kind of like similar to Friday. I mean, if we're going to continue higher, I would obviously want some kind of pullback, and then similar to Friday's like price action, and then kind of expand to the upside. Ideally, doesn't mean we're going to get that, but we'll have to see.
Someone goes, I got an email from a firm not to be named that basically they be fucking up and they know it.
I saw that.
I mean, hey, good email. Yeah, I mean the big issue for prop firms is the chargebacks. I see people talking about the Lucid situation. Basically, what happens is people, they buy an account, they blow it up, and then they try to charge back on their credit card. And obviously, the credit card, it becomes a huge fucking ordeal, right? Because now, obviously, the credit card company is taking the money back, and it becomes a whole thing. So it is an issue. I saw that Tradeify sent an email out saying they're no longer going to offer Project X, which I was honestly surprised that they were even going to continue offering it either way, you know, because like they're all like, we're gonna stop offering it in February of next year, and I'm like, well,
Yeah.
why wait till February?
Yeah.
I'm like, just get rid of it now, you know. If you got issues, like why continue having issues until February? Because again, it's like you have a new customer who comes along and then buys an account.
in
December,
Yeah.
and they don't even know that there are issues, and then it becomes your issue. So like, why continue offering a platform that causes you issues? So
Yeah, I think they said the 23rd, right? As of the 23rd, I think they're gonna stop offering Project X, to new customers.
Yeah, but I think they're gonna just totally cut it down. I think the Tradeify one was that they're totally going to cut it. No, they're no longer going to offer it. So, all right, we keep pushing. Shit. I would think now either we're just going to go fucking straight up at open. You got a pivot point up there, 25,850. We got resistance at the 860s. Obviously, we'd love to have some kind of pullback, you know, but we'll see what happens. Alex, yo, are you streaming Wednesday and Friday? Maybe. I don't know. I really don't have any plans. Definitely not going to stream on Friday of this week. We might stream on Wednesday. We'll see how the market goes the next couple of days. If it's going to be shitty and choppy, then we'll just call it what it is and enjoy the holidays. So, just try to make a little bit of money. What are you looking at, D? What you thinking?
Yeah, I mean, the same thing. I mean, I'm bullish, you know, based off what I'm seeing on the chart right now. I mean, obviously, once we open up, we'll kind of get more of an idea of what's to come. But I mean, it looks good for longs. I feel good about longs right now at the current moment. So I think that 860 level is in play, and if they're really going to get aggressive, then I think over 26,000, and kind of go from there. So we'll see how we kind of open up. I remember Friday we had a pullback going into the open that kind of set us up nice. So I'm kind of hoping for the same thing. Weekly chart looks good. The daily chart looks super bullish. Obviously, guys, yeah, we have a gap between Friday's close and the open last night, but it's not a small. It's a small gap, right? I mean, that's what PW is kind of saying. That doesn't necessarily have to get filled right now. I mean, you're talking like 40 points, 45 points max to kind of fill that gap. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing really telling me to go short.
Stop by the BH.
D-Money, are you scalping the first few candles? Yeah, it actually depends. I mean, if we get a breakout, so if we get a pullback.
That's like such a funny question though, because
yeah,
it's like,
I know.
Hey D-Money, are you gonna
right?
trade the 959 candle? D-Money, you gonna trade the D-Money, you gonna trade the first candle? I mean, maybe.
Yeah, it all depends on what
I really just depends, you know, like. Just it's impossible to say, right? Sometimes it's just like you're looking at it and you see it moving and you're like, all right, I'm just gonna get in, right? And you don't really like have an exact reason to why you do it, other than just like the momentum is there and you just take the trade, right?
Yeah.
I mean, if you look here on the hourly chart, I'd say this is a pretty bullish breakout, right? There Friday, big breakout there on Friday. We talked about that on Friday as well. Literally while we were day trading live on the boat, you know. So I think we got to stick to that same idea. I do like the idea of it going up just because of that resistance up there, that quadruple top, you know, on the hourly chart. It's almost like we said,
860, yeah.
Like this really is the perfect trap right now to get more bears, because everybody's gonna be like, it's got to pull back, right?
Yeah.
It's got to pull back at open. And it's funny because I was looking at Apple earlier, and like Apple actually is, Apple at one point, well, now it's pushing up here. I don't know why this thing's, all right, extended trading hours. Yeah, Apple's like kind of pushed up but not doing like some crazy move. Apple hasn't done a crazy move up. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is pushing up here. 7 o'clock, kind of still pushing. So I'm just trying to see like what the actual stocks are doing. Microsoft gapped up. I'm doing it like Tesla. Tesla gapped up. Everything's pretty much gapped up this morning. So someone said NQ is so overextended.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. Yeah, I'm looking at that. I was just looking at that.
But that's what every bear is going to be thinking, right? Every bear is going to wake up this morning and go, oh, dude, it's a short. It's a short, man. It's a short. So there was news over the weekend. I don't know where I read it about the Fed starting to buy more stocks this week, or I don't have like a real. It's just what I read online.
Yeah, and Nvidia has a nice pump, guys. Pre-market as well. So it's up almost, 1.84%. So that could also be a factor going into the open for NQ. So gotta wait and find out.
Injecting $7 billion. Let's do a poll. Up or down at open? PW, what do you think about stocks going to 24-hour trading? I mean, they basically trade now 24 hours. I think it'll just cause more. It's just going to cause more volatility overnight with less volume and news and stuff happening. So we'll see. We got 4,000 people watching. We're live.
Let's go.
We live at the BDH, baby. If you ain't here, where are you? If you ain't here, where are you? Think about that. If you ain't here, where are you? All right, we got 63% voting for the up at open. 500 votes right now. 36% voting down. Landon, what's your vote?
My vote
Oh, your
is-
camera's out, bro. Died again. Oh, no. Oh, no. No!
How was last week's fishing? No, fishing was good. Hey,
Chat was worried about you, D-Mo.
Yeah, man. Hey,
I
people
was
were
worried
worried,
about
man. I'm like, guys,
You're gonna be okay.
I took my motion sickness medicine. That was good.
All right, Landon, what's your prediction? Look at the chart and tell us what you think's gonna happen next. 13-year-old prediction.
Think down.
Down.
And then go up.
Down and then up. Okay.
Little drop down.
Little drop down. I like that. I mean, that would be ideal.
Yeah,
It'd be better than going straight up.
Yeah, exactly. That's
All right.
what I would like.
That's
Or
what you
it
would
just
like?
goes to the moon.
Or it just goes to the moon.
Who knows?
Pretty good. So, well, that's the plan. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. It's Christmas week. We got some giveaways. We got some fun. We got some action. We're doing it at the BDH. That's right. It's a family affair. Me and my brother, D-Money, and my son, Lando. All right. I'm trying to think about what I got. Like, I have my Tradeify accounts, I got my Lucid accounts, I got my Apex accounts, I got my Take Profit Trader accounts, and I'm always like, kind of like, which account do I want to trade at open?
Yeah.
Because like, it's not like open's always gonna be a little, it's either gonna go or it's not. So you got to kind of be like, okay, which account has the biggest balance? Which account is closest to a payout? Which account do I just need a little bit?
Yeah.
Just a little bit. So, I think I'm gonna go with the Tradeify accounts right off the bat. I need to make about $1,200 to get that $10,000 target, so then I can request a $5,000 payout. That's just a target that I came up with in my head. So that might. Ooh, this thing's still fucking pumping, man.
Yeah, it just.
I don't think
had a pull back and then push right back up.
It might just be really fucking retarded at open, honestly. And just go straight to the fucking moon. I hope not, but it might. We got about a minute. Oh, about 40 a minute 40 here. There she's pumping once again from the 70s up through the 80s, still going, holding those EMAs. Now the question is, okay, what happens if we go straight up here at open? Well, I'd say basically 25,800 is kind of that key level, right? We got to get through 25,800 really quickly.
Yeah.
And then after that, 20, 30, 40, 50 points to the upside. Do we go straight to that target on the hourly? Maybe.
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe. Coulda, shoulda, woulda. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, we're doing it live at the BDH. We got 1,000 votes on the stream with 65% of you saying the market's going to go up and 35% saying the market's going to go down. So, looks like the ups have the majority. The ups have the majority. Let's see what happens. Where are you going? Landon, he's walking away right now. Right before the market opens. Gonna go brush his teeth, he said. Still a minute? What happens if the minute goes faster? What if you got lost over there? You know, what happens? 30 seconds. All right. Count it down with me, chat. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button. Landon said that my dad, I bet you can't get 1,000 likes before 9:30. I said, watch me. Come on, chat. 20 seconds. Help me prove him wrong. It was a bet. Three, two, one. There we go. Little dippity dip. Want to see how this dip reacts. Straight down there, 65s. All right. Landon called out the dip and the rip. Let's see if we get the dip and the rip. A little bit. It's back up there.
Yeah.
I'm going to try a long right here to see if this candle's going to go straight up. Look for that 800 level possible. Holding that 770s there. Trouble. Still trouble. Still holding. We want to hold this 750 level, basically. I'm going to move my stop right there below 760s, the low of that current candle. If we swipe that, I can always re-enter, but let's see if that's going to hold there now. If not, it's all good. The ES is pushing for new highs. The Nasdaq's trying to hold up here. We want to get through this 70 level and go straight up through the 800s next. Beautiful. Come on. Let's get through it. Just needs to get through the 800s. Beautiful, beautiful. Keep it going, chat. Keep it going. Do we like it, D-Money?
Yeah.
Do we like it? We like
There
it,
you go.
Landon. We like it. All right, I'm going to move my stop right there to the 780s now. We can't lose on this trade, right? We just want to be a little smart. See if we can't ride this higher. Let it go. Give us some room. It's either going to go straight to the moon or chop around here. Protect our green at least, or protect the trade. Oh, now she's going to pull back. Oh, gosh, she almost stopped me. 79. Come on, baby, hold it. Don't stop me here. I can always re-enter, though. That's kind of the mindset, right? Like, if I get stopped out for a small little profit or break even or whatever it is, I can always re-enter. Landon calling it out.
Yeah, the pullback. Yep, before the push.
Stopped out there for now. Just couldn't get that push for now. So we can always re-enter. Some choppy action here. Right back down to the 760s. Probably should have taken that. That was from 770. Could have got about 10 points, but there's that pullback again. 750s now. Good time to be patient. Let this pull back. You got the VWAP down there. Looks like the ES has some trouble. Got the VWAP down there at the 715.
Nice little flush.
Nice little flush. My stop was a good spot to get short at, clearly. All right, there's the VWAP now. All right, we're right there at that pivot point. Will we break out? Will we go up? Or, I mean, keep filling this gap. 700 maybe next. Just take out that whole number. You've got some support here at the 680s, 660s. All right, she's bleeding.
Yeah, she's bleeding down.
Straight down there, 25,700. We got our 15-minute range obviously coming up here in about 10 minutes still. All right, down there are the 700s now.
Yeah, 100-point flush.
100-point flush from the highs. You gotta love that. How you doing, Landon? You making money over there?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Okay. He's waiting to make a little money.
I took a long at the 770s and it went all the way up to the 790s.
Yeah.
But I didn't take profit and I tried to wait until like the 800.
You got greedy like me. You got greedy like me.
It wasn't even greedy.
You got greedy like me, boy.
I wanted to wait till the 800s and try to just keep going, but
True. I know. Trust me. I know.
All right, so 5-minute ORB set, guys. Right, so we got the 5-minute ORB that's actually set. When you look to the left on the chart, on the 5-minute chart, the last time we were in this area, we kind of held up and we had we just had a bounce back to the upside. But this is going to be a little interesting,
If
right?
we swipe this 700s, we should dump straight down here.
Yeah.
That 660, 680 level quickly.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if we can get down there. I'm short here at the 700 break. Looking to take some profit down here now. Oh, perfect. Give me 20 points. 20 points, baby. 20 points. All right, all right. This is kind of that level that we just looked at. This 680 right there. So I wanted to see how that, if we swipe that 680s, which we ended up doing. The next level is going to be 660s to the downside there. So far, just red, red, red here. Pulling back. Got stuck right there at the 800 level. I think if we would have got above 800, it would have been an absolute fucking ripper to the upside there. Just a squeeze. So the bear is protecting for now. But I think if we start to, you know, push back up out of here, then it could be a quick stampede to those highs again. So the gap fill, still more room to the downside. 580 for the gap fill, I guess. So let's see what happens here with the VWAP. If we start to bear flag, I might take another short opportunity depending on kind of where this gets stuck. We've got obviously the 15-minute range right now still forming. So, I mean, as long as we're kind of stuck here below the VWAP, we could go lower. Could go lower. Down there, 680s again. Kind of build out a bear flag here. They break below 690s, looking for like 660s next, but still kind of holding up there. Want to see how this reacts. Want a little bit more, right? A little bit more here.
Yeah, same thing, guys. PAC trader, you're saying what's my thoughts? Same thing. We need to break that previous candle's low, and then there's probably a lot more downside coming if that's the case. Gotta be patient.
Holding there for now.
Yeah, ugly 5-minute candle as well, right? Long wick at the top and the bottom.
They're trying to test that again, 790s. Stuck there at the VWAP. We lose the 790 level. We should go lower, 660s at least. Watch that 790 give it up. Just consolidating right below the VWAP now. ES is right at the VWAP. Oh, she's getting tight. Something's gonna happen here. Be ready. Just holding right there for now. Testing the VWAP again.
Wait for the momentum candle, I guess. Yeah, could be.
I'm looking for, once you take out these lows, 690s, I'm going short. She's trying. I'm gonna try a short here. Breakthrough 680s strong. Looking for like this move here. My stop is like 700 level. I don't want to be above 700s again. There we go. Starting to move down here a little bit. Just swipe that low. Got to be careful here. I want to start seeing momentum in the downside quick. Don't get stuck right there. We might have to get out. If we get back above 700, I'm out. Let's go. She's trying, but just getting stuck there. I don't like her getting stuck there. Giving it some room, but just kind of chopping here.
Joy Pride, am I in? Yeah, I'm trying to quick scalp, so I'm waiting now for 15-minute candle to close out. Because I want it to close, like, if it closes super bearish, then I'll look for the next short.
Yeah,
basically.
see, you just don't want to go lower now. And stop could get taken here. Oh. Moving my stops down to the high of that last candle now because there's no point in losing more than we have to, obviously. Still short. It's not really going anywhere. And stopped out there for now. All right. Back up to the VWAP again. Chopping around here. Classic. All right, if we get back below 690s again, I will short again.
Yeah, that's
Just
what I'm
fucking
looking
stop
for
me
as well.
out for some stupid fuck. Look at that. So stupid. Break that 690s again. Let's see what happens. Oh my lord. The chop is real, boys.
Yeah, it's choppy.
This ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, we close guys below the 50 EMA, so that for me is bearish. But you want follow through. That's the only thing to the downside. And it's pushing right back up, so it's choppy.
All right, right back up there to the VWAP, just chopping around here. Nasty. Can't go down, so it's gonna go up, it said. If it gets back above 720s, could start ramping really quickly. All these shorts down here are gonna get squeezed, so watch that 720s now. If you're short, you don't want it back above 720s. 1 hour candle.
Yeah,
There's
it's
that
probably-
rip.
Yeah, it's bumping. Back inside the 5-minute ORB, opening range candle as well.
All right, 5-minute candle pushing up there above those last couple of candle highs already. So that's kind of like, the bears are losing steam here, right? So if this thing can start moving, ES is curling back up. Nasdaq's trying to curl back up. This is going to be just one big bear flag. Back to the VWAP again.
Yeah, what I'm seeing also, guys, 5-minute chart. Want to break down below the 200 EMA, and it basically bounced right off the 200 EMA at 25,673. So it kind of needs to lose that steam. If not, we're headed probably back to take out the 800 level. So
Little bull flag right here above the VWAP on the 1-minute chart. If they can get through that 30-40 level, I think could start squeezing.
yeah, it looks like a V-shaped recovery almost on the 5-minute chart so far. It's early though, right, in this candle, guys, but it looks like it could be forming a V-shaped recovery. But if it breaks down below, it needs to get back above the 14 for bulls, and if it can't do that, 671 level is gonna get taken and lower. So this could have been just a deep, like, retracement to the upside before kind of selling back off. I have to wait and see. Nvidia had a nice gap up right at the open. Yeah, see, that's the pump.
There's the pump.
Yeah.
Wow. She's going. Right through that high, just like I said, taking that bull flag, sorry. The bulls are stepping up.
Yeah, Nvidia's pumping as well.
Oh yeah, she wants to go. She wants to go. Chop. Just chop.
candle.
Chop Chop City. All right, we're above the VWAP. We held that pivot point. We're at the, obviously, kind of in the middle of the opening range right now. The ES is right there at the 920s trying to go higher. The Nasdaq seems like it's trying to push back up here now. A little bit of trouble there in the middle of the 15-minute range. You want to see kind of like that 750 area get taken out here next, right? 750s get taken out, and then this 5-minute candle could start to kind of look a little better to try to push through that 750s. Like right now, let's see if that's possible. $744s. Go for that 50 push here. Oh, there's my email. Why did that come up?
Yeah, guys, I'm trying to long here out the 14 EMA.
Yeah, sorry, I tried to switch earlier to my screen, but I switched to my emails. All right, we got a long going here. That little bull flag I was watching, looking for 6. I'd say like the top of this candle next is what I would like to see. And then try to ride maybe some more for the all the way up there through the 800 push. I'm gonna try to take it a little earlier there. Because it's having some hesitation there at the 55, 60 area. So I'll just take it off here. If I can get filled there at 55. Nope. Like, take off some. Take off a partial there at 55, possibly. Alright, I guess now we just let it ride higher. Alright, I'm going to see if I can't get filled here on this. Just get me out of this. 52s for the... And I have 5 contracts left. Just in case this wants to, like, just be stupid and pull right back to my entry. I want to try to protect some of my profits. These are live accounts. Got the live accounts, running them up here. Would love to just see like a push right up through the 60 and right to the 800s, but that would be too easy, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Right, gotta pull back, stop me out here first. Gotta pull back, stop me out before doing exactly that. What you looking at, Landon? Nothing? Pokemon cards? All right.
So I want to see it hopefully hold the EMA, guys, right on the 5-minute chart, these 2 EMAs. So if it gets back below 729, it's invalid for me for a long. I want to see it hold the 2 EMAs and push up to the upside. That's basically that would be my stop. So let's see.
Can you take me higher? Oh
No.
man, I thought I was gonna walk away and come back and
Come back and
rip
it push. Yeah.
Couldn't-
No
it couldn't
no
be that
follow
easy,
through
would it?
right now.
This couldn't be that easy, could it? Ooh, she holding. Come on, let's ramp out of this right here. Come, what time is it? Not almost 10 o'clock. Got the 10 o'clock candle coming up.
Yeah.
It's time to ramp. Nasdaq, time to ramp. Ramp it real good. If we break through 760s next, I'm gonna move my stop up. I mean, an 800 push should be epic from here. 70 points. All right, 10 o'clock candle is going to close here in 10 seconds. 10 seconds till the can o'clock candle, clan o'clock, Santa o'clock. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button already, hit that, blow it up, blow it up. God, it's so tight.
Yeah, it's tight.
Why is it so? We got 5,600 people watching right now, chat. Let's go. Trying to make some money live here on YouTube. Yes, I got 5 I got 5 accounts. You can see here on the right-hand side, Trade prop platform over here. These are all I got 5 Take Profit Trader live accounts. These are live accounts, so
yeah, no follow through.
0 follow through. Right back down there to stop me out. Dun, dun, dun. All right. Now the question is this going to be kind of that big old bear flag right there in the middle of that 15-minute range? If we start to get below the VWAP again, I might look for a short. So let's see what happens now. Patience, my friends. Patience. If you guys haven't hit the like button, subscribe button, come on. We got 1,100. D-Money said he not going to do this no more unless it gets 2,000. You know, Jerome was right. Jerome was right. He said he's that D-Money prima donna. Patrick gets people rich if you pay attention. Well, you know, I don't always do my best, but I always do my best, but it don't always work out. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down. And to be honest, that I don't really know exactly why either one happens. It just happens that way sometimes. There's that pullback again. Nasdaq right back to the VWAP. So if we start to get below the VWAP and get stuck here, I might be looking for shorts. Since when do they offer more than one live account? Take Profit Trader has offered 5 live accounts for as long as I can remember. So check yourself before you wreck yourself. Don't be coming in here trying to, Patrick, you're lying. They don't have 5 accounts. Patrick, they don't have 5 accounts. Why are you lying, Patrick?
Oh, man.
I mean, okay. I'm lying. Photoshop, man.
Yeah, it's just choppy, guys. That's the thing, right? No follow through. You want follow through either direction. Like pick a direction. Like you want them to pick a direction and basically have follow through.
All right, like I said, if we start to get below this VWAP here, I'm looking for these shorts. All right, looking for these shorts below the VWAP. I like them below the VWAP, not above the VWAP, but below the VWAP. So just kind of being patient. We still have not broken the 15-minute range either, people. So, you know, don't feel like I'm missing out. You're not missing out on anything. Like, we're still very much just stuck here. We've seen before where the market chops around like this for quite some time, and then finally, after all the patience and all the sitting and waiting, that's when we finally get the move that we want. So let's do that. Let's try to play into that theory that if we just be patient here, we're going to get paid. Right? Right. Paris says, see, I told you, it's about to come down. It
hasn't done anything.
It ain't done nothing. God, you know how I know someone's fucking retarded and poor? You know how I know they're retarded and poor at the same time? When they comment in the chat, told you. Because nobody who is successful at anything in life is going to sit here on YouTube and type in, I told you.
Yeah.
I told you. No, they just be making money. Right? Like, if you make money, you don't give a fuck about telling me because you make money. You be like, I don't give a fuck about this guy. I ain't gonna tell this guy nothing. I ain't telling him my secrets. That's how we do it. All right. I mean, it's again, it's like flirting with the idea of dumping here. Market is long all day. If you don't see it, you're dumb. Oh, God. Oh, God, chat. It's one of those days. I don't see it. I'm dumb. Long all day. Do you see it, D? You don't see
Guys,
it?
You don't see if it was long all day, it would have been, yeah.
You don't see long all day?
I see the pullback.
Damn, why are you so dumb, D Money?
It's crazy,
I see
man.
it. I see the long all day. Is this the short setup?
Let's see.
Oh God, too many screens over here. I'm trying to short here. These are evals. I'm gonna try to aggressive short. Not doing these on a live account, but we're right there at the fucking VWAP. We're either gonna just start dumping through 700s or they're gonna magically just pop this back up. I would put my money on the idea that we break through here, but nope. I think as long as we stay below 730s, we're chilling. And try to look for a new low down there through the 660, 680 level. Got 20 contracts short here. That moment of truth, D. We're right there, man. It wants to go.
Yeah, I think
Come on, D.
I think it's going, yeah.
Come on, D. Get through 700s here. I don't see how we don't at least swipe 88s. Give me 88 to swipe it. Oh, no. Don't. No, 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 baby, 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 baby. Baby, no, no, baby. No, no, no. Don't do that. I don't like when it does that. Oh, no. Don't. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. That was like a fucking 4-point swipe of that 700 level. No, 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 baby. Come on, baby. Come back down, baby. Wow. If this thing rips back up now, I'm going to be fucking mind blown. ES bounced off the VWAP. I see that. We told you, Patrick, don't go short. Oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, God. I can't.
Oh, man.
I can't. You're out? You're blown?
I'm not blown.
But you're out. You're over it. Land's over it, he said. He said he don't want to play this no more. This game sucks. Every single... I agree,
Yeah,
man.
it's chop chop right now, guys.
Landon said every trade just doesn't go anywhere. I like it. I feel the same way, Landon. Landon lost 500. He learned a good lesson today. That when you risk the biscuit, you're going to get the biscuit. Or if you risk the biscuit, you lose the biscuit. So the biscuit sometimes gets rigged and it gets dropped. So we're short, but we might get stopped here. This is just not doing... Oh, God. Back down. The chop is real, man. Landon do better trade than Pat. I mean, he lost 500. I'm up money on the day, so... I think I'm better. All right, I made money and that 13-year-old lost money, okay? I'm fucking better at trading. You see this, Landon?
Is that Happy Gilmore?
Happy Gilmore?
Yeah.
Just tap it in. Just tap it in. We had Forex Ike in the house. Still got this right here, little gift from Forex Ike. I'm gonna tap it in. Just tap it in. See, like right now, I'm just gonna tap it in.
Yeah, you want to flush here.
Come on, tap
if you're
it.
short.
Tap it, tap it, tap it.
Yeah, there's not much wisdom to give right here, guys. We're we're in a choppy market. There's not much to do. The shorts, I mean, technically we just rejected the 14 EMA. We got a bearish EMA cross. So I like the shorts here as well, to be honest. As long as we can hold the 14 EMA, if we stay below 730, then I think we're headed down. But it's some nasty chop right now. Your entry has to be right, or else you're gonna get chopped up, guys. That's the thing, right? Your entry has to be like right off the EMA in order to not get chopped. And a lot of times with this, it'll chop and then you'll get like one candle that'll basically give you the move right out of nowhere, like a flush down. So if we hold 14 EMA on a 5-minute chart, guys, I would say that we're headed down, right?
I'm scared, D. I'm scared, D. Help me.
But you gotta love NQ, guys, right? We had a nice move before pre-market, and then all of a sudden now we're chop. All right, here comes the flush.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh, baby, no, baby, no. Go, baby, go. Go, baby, no. Oh, baby, go. Man, good thing I listened to the chat, D.
Yep.
Good thing. Good thing I went long all day. If I would have only went long all day, I would be fucking rich right now. All right, I got my stops pretty much sitting here. I'm gonna try to trail this a little bit. We can lose 680s. We could obviously dump right through there next. So I want to try to get through there. It's tight. If we lose 680s, I'm going to move another order down to 680 just to kind of lock that in there. Should be a nice 30-40 point move below 680s here, honestly. But it's kind of the chop is hitting here. God damn it. These fucking... I just don't want these fucking... Alright, stop at 710. Just want to give it a little room. This chop is being very annoying here. JJB said, I want 200 points, not 20. Okay, hey, well.
Yeah, hey.
I'll try, man.
Tell
I'm
you
trying my best. Call the market makers. Hey! I want 200 points!
It's either gonna flush here, guys, so you got a lower low put in compared to the previous 15-minute candle. No high, right? So this current 15-minute candle, guys, was not able to put in a higher high, and it put in a lower low. So obviously for longs right now, and you're probably sweating if you're in a long.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to be long here. That's for sure.
You would be sweating right now. So
we sweating.
if we break so the ORB low,
88.
Yeah, that 670, the ORB low, guys. So that's what I'm kind of looking at, because we're probably going to get a flush hard to the downside if that breaks.
All right, so I've got 2 contracts left per account now. Someone said this 680 is not broken. Well, yeah, no shit. No shit, Sherlock. Patrick, 688, it hasn't broken. No, you right. You
Yeah,
right.
yeah,
I'm
you're
not.
right.
You not. You right. All right. ES has broken the 15-minute range. Nasdaq has not. It kind of just is what it is, honestly. I'm gonna move these stops right here to the 700. That's 20 points, guaranteed. If we can get more, we get more. I can't make the market fucking move, guys. Do I think we're gonna fill the gap? Maybe. I honestly, like, I don't have, it makes sense, right? If you look at the chart, it makes sense. We got that gap fill to close on Friday, 570 area. Can we go there? Sure, right? It makes sense. Is it going to go there? Well, I mean, we don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I wish I did. I'd have a lot more fucking money. I'd be a lot more rich if I knew where the market's going to be the next 5 minutes. The next minute. One next minute candle. If you could just see like a 10-second candle.
Yeah, I know, right?
Just be like, I know where the market's going to be in 10 seconds.
Yeah, so right now, guys, yeah, I mean, it's looking like a fake out. That was just a up move to kind of trap some longs. Bearish EMA cross on a 5-minute chart. Yeah, it's playing right around at that low.
Ugh. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just swiped the low, just popped it right back up. Fucking A. Mango still long from 742. All right. I mean, if this 680 holds, then we might get double bottom, but ugh, what a stupid fucking market. Holiday markets. Someone says like Patrick's getting wasted. Guys, I'm up $7,000 on this trade. I can't lose. There's no losing at this point. The worst that can happen is I walk away with like $3,000 in profit. Who's wasted? It's gonna pump up. Well, right now I'm up about 30 points on the short, so if it pumps up, it pumps up. It is what it is, guys. I got my stop 699 now. We're short from the 720s. D-Money's not going to be live this afternoon. He's here this morning. Be happy. All right, well, there we go. Chopped it back up again.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So you can see the 15-minute candles very just stuck. The ES ripped back up. Nasdaq ripped back up. When it chops, it chops. It's funny because people are always like, man, this market's so choppy. And it's like, it's how it is. It's going to be one of those days.
So it's interesting, guys, on a 5-minute chart as well, because it looks like, I mean, is it trying to form a W pattern on a 5-minute chart right off the 200 EMA? So that's where I was kind of looking at the bottom, like below 670. There's probably a lot of momentum to the downside, but if we keep holding this 200 EMA, and that's where we're currently bouncing off of, then could be a little difficult, right? So I'm looking at that 671 for shorts.
Again, retesting those lows. There's a huge buyer at 87. What the fuck? He gone. There was 100 contracts sitting out the bid at 87. I'm trying this short again. This is my live accounts. We'll see if we can ride this lower. I don't know. Stop is here at the 704s. God help me. Yeah, she just does not want to go lower. ES is holding up. I'm going to get out right there, actually. I don't like how that's pushing already back up. If we get back above 700s, I don't fucking know. I don't know. It's just... What time is it? It's not even 10:30.
Yeah, it's not even 10:30.
Fucking relax, Patrick. Something's going to happen. It's just a question of when. Is this going to be double bottom? Do we pump back up now?
That's what it's feeling like so far. If this 5-minute candle closes green, guys, then we got like pretty much almost like a double bottom, and kind of like playing the range, buying the bottom of the range up to the top of the range could be a play as well. So it's a little bit so that's what I'm gonna kind of look at here. So I'm in a long, guys, from 702. I'm gonna try it from 702.
I'm getting long with D Money. Let's go, D Money.
There's over 10 points, guys, on the pump.
That boy good. That boy good.
There you go.
There you go. D Money. All right, I got some contracts left here. I'm not going to be greedy today because this shit, it just ain't going nowhere. So I got 5 left. Can we get more, though?
Yeah, I want to pump through 720 above the 50 EMA, the 5-minute chart.
I got my stop just there just to protect it so I don't give it up, so. Fucking A, man. Yeah, today is a day of 10 points, baby. Take 10 points. Be happy. Don't be greedy today. Don't be that guy today. All right, back up there to the VWAP. There's your double bottom still holding.
Mm-hmm.
Patrick, do you still use funding ticks? I do not. If you go to my Twitter account, there's a whole post about funding ticks and why we are no longer affiliated with funding ticks. Yeah, it's just I can't stop them from running the business the way they run it, to be honest. It's kind of I'm just an affiliate, guys. I tried to kind of talk to them, get some kind of communication after their last rule changes and such, but they just were not very transparent with me. So right now, that pivot point there at the 715's holding us down. Here it is, right back down again. So good thing I took profit where I took profit at. God. I just love how it's like overnight, the market just do. Market open, ding, 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 ding,
Yeah.
ding, ding, go nowhere. It's magical in that sense. It's magical. I just want you to know that you're so magical. Money, money, money. Money. Money, 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 money. All right, right back down there again. Oh, my Lord. You would have to think that if this starts, you know.
Yeah, if it starts
If we lose
rolling
that
over now.
680 area now,
Yeah.
then we're
I
gonna
think
fill
it's gone.
that gap,
Yeah, I
right?
think
The
it's
gap
gone.
puts us down there to the 580s. So, I mean, it's like it's already starting to roll here. But again, like we just have not gotten through that 680 level. So,
Yeah, I need like 668, guys. I'm looking for 668 for a short. I want it like below the 200 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So if I get that, then I'm going to short it down, right? But if it holds here, then we'll kind of see. NVIDIA looks I mean, like straight up barcode action on the 5-minute chart.
Yeah.
So
ES pumping again. The ES is above the VWAP, by the way. ES is above the VWAP in the middle of the opening range right now. Nasdaq's right there as well, so. Yeah, the ES looks a lot more bullish than the Nasdaq right now. ES just broke out. Nasdaq trying to back above 700 possibly. I might try another long here with a stop below this 688 to try to push up. Got to get through this 715, 720 area there next.
Yeah, Nvidia's pumping, trying to pump up as well. So as long as we hold these lows, guys, the longs are in play right now. So as long as we hold 25,000, for me, longs are in play as long as we hold 25,675. If we break below that, then obviously we're probably headed a lot lower. Nvidia's trying to pump on the 5-minute chart.
Zero follow through here. All right, I'm gonna maybe try to add into this a little bit. Play with the 680 stop here. See if we can't get a pump going.
Yeah, that's what I see, guys. I see a W pattern on the 5-minute chart. It looks pretty. So you would probably think that we're, I mean, if that's the case, right, we're headed up to at least probably 750 to the upside. So that's what I'm looking for. Needed above the 14 and 50 EMA though, 25,725 to get momentum.
It's gonna take profit here again at the 715 area. Just that way
it's
I can
ranging.
always re-enter.
Yeah.
We get above it.
Because it's ranging, yeah.
But we just keep getting stuck there, so I don't want to like just sit here for no reason if I don't have to. If like and like that, see, just came right back down again. So we only got one contract still long, so give it a little bit of upside room here, I guess now. Both the ES and the Nasdaq just getting stuck in the same like middle of the chart here, middle of the range. Yeah, looking like some trouble here now. I'm gonna move this stop right below the 90s, just risk 10 points. That way we're not only going to give back 250. No point in giving back more if I don't have to. See what happens at 10:30 candle. They got 2 minutes till that 30-minute candle closes. Might get stopped here. Let's see. Oh, she's getting tight. I mean, it's kind of like if we get this kind of dumped through there, the bear flag could start to play out. Just the problem is the ES is just kind of holding up above the VWAP right now, so the ES is looking a little bit more bullish.
Yeah, you want to see this current five, like basically right now, guys, since we're kind of like ranging, right? We're getting like rejected right off the 14 EMA. The previous 5-minute candle's low needs to hold. So like for longs right now, to kind of pick up momentum, you want to see 683.50 hold. If that gets broken,
All
short
right, we're
term,
stopped
that's not
out
good.
there for now. Back to the drawing boards. I mean, this is kind of like it's just giving that fucking bear flag vibes right there. I don't know. Right? Why?
So see how this 5-minute candle closes, guys, because it could be like a little higher low, lower high situation being put in on the 5-minute chart, right? So that's the thing, which could push us down. So you got about 30 seconds left. So yeah, I was saying that for longs, yeah, you need price above the 14 EMA because that'll kind of help with momentum. But as we're kind of selling off here, this candle is going to be, this current 5-minute candle is like interesting because basically you got a high up top, 935, and then you got a lower high. And then if this candle kind of closes bearish, 5-minute chart, then that's another lower high as well, right? So now that's kind of established. So now I would think that we could get a drop below the 200 EMA, which is 25,674. So if I'm short right now, my stop needs to be back above 713 because I don't want to see it take out the previous 5-minute candles high, basically.
Lose that 690 support here and head on downtown.
Yeah, that's
There's that 680s again.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, trying to short, guys, right? We'll see if we can get a breakdown here. So entry on the trade was actually right at like 687. It put me in at like 687. So I want to see if we can flush through this 200 EMA, guys.
All right, we're short. D-Money and myself are short here, looking for this move down. Can we make a new low? Nope. God.
You think we're going to fill the gap? Yeah, we could. I mean, we're kind of hesitating, guys, but I mean, I see higher, basically lower highs being put in. That's bearish, right? So I want to break below this 200 EMA. I need a 5-minute candle to close below 674, basically. This candle, I wanted to close below 674. And then if so, we could get more continuation to the downside. We got a lot of room to the 200 EMA on the 15-minute chart, 25,500 actually. So it needs to hold. That's the thing, right?
God. Dude, these like 5-minute candles are just fucked. They don't want to go. Oh, it's so painful.
So the only good thing now, guys, is that you can kind of like measure your stop based off the top of the previous candle's wicks, like if you wanted to, you could kind of like at least have a measured stop, because since we're kind of choppy, that's how I kind of do it, like on the way down. And we'll kind of see if we get follow through.
All right, that 10:30 candle is 4 minutes into it now.
Yeah.
We start to get some movement. We saw that the other day. It was 10:30 where the market fucking dumped 100 points. So let's see if we can get some follow through here. I think if we get through this opening range low, we could go. Problem is the ES is really, I think, holding the market up here, holding the Nasdaq up at least. The ES just is not going anywhere. All right, I'm gonna move my stop. Ugh. I'm gonna move it right there to 82 now.
Yeah, we're going downtown, guys. There you go. Let's go, baby.
65s.
Come on, man. Guys.
D-money.
So going to trail this down, guys. Not going to give anything back. Let's go, baby.
There we go. All right, I'm all out there at the 650s. I'm not going to be greedy. That was 40 points.
That boy good. That boy good.
So that was kind of the idea, right? We had that almost like looking like a head and shoulders type bear flag forming here. So once we got back below that trend line there, we grabbed it short. 93s down there, 650s now. Still going lower. D-money with the call out there on the 5-minute candles. Looking for that short there as well. So what a time to be alive. Somebody earlier asked me how much money I've lost today. I mean, green is green. I don't know about you guys, but 3,800. That's 5 accounts, live funded accounts. I can take those payouts right now. 5 of those bad boys with Take Profit Trader. So, you know, hey, hate is gonna hate. Daddy gonna get paid. Right, D-money?
Yeah, guys. So, just trying to make a little money.
What you got going on over there?
Yeah, guys. So I got so those Lucid accounts are trading the 5 Lucid accounts. So they're actually up over 1,200 per account on the Lucid accounts. So guys, so this is the thing. If you look at the 5-minute chart, so that's what I was basically saying, right? So if you have that 200 EMA on your chart, previous 5-minute candle actually closed, the low of the candle was below the 200 EMA. So that's why we got that follow through to the downside.
Let me put your 200 EMA on the chart and see where that fucker ends up at. So right now, the 9 EMA was right at like 709 area.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll probably do so.
So, because if you kind of notice the reaction, 945, we bounced right off it back to the upside.
200 EMA was at like 670s.
Yep. So that was a level that needed to break with a close with a candle below it, and it closed right below it the previous candle, guys. And then you got the momentum to the downside.
D-money.
So guys, drop a W in the chat if you made money, and
hey,
we got over 5,000 people tuned into the show, guys. We appreciate the support. Do us a solid, hit the like button if you haven't already. We're just trying to make a little money.
Amen. It's Christmas time, boys. Let's make a little bit of money. Buy more Christmas presents for Landon. Landon's gonna get so many presents. Dude, you get your camera's off. Sorry, bro. You gonna get so many presents, Landon. Big ones, little ones, all the presents. No presents. Actually, we're gonna have to cut the presents this year, son. I had to buy a couple new cars. Couldn't afford to buy you presents. Sorry about that.
PWD Money, no words. So thank you guys. I got my family food for Christmas Eve.
Ooh,
Because you guys,
let's go.
huge thank you from Philippines. Hey, congrats.
Filipino.
Let's go.
Filipino man. They love us in the Philippines, D Money. We're famous there. They call us the D Money and the P Money. You guys watch the Filipino man. That D Money, he real good in the Philippines. Lots of women in the Philippines trying to marry D Money. I get emails every day. I said, please let me marry D Money. I say, I don't know. He not looking for marriage right now. D Money gonna get a little Filipino girlfriend. Make you happy long time happy. All right, Nasdaq down there to the 650s. Can she go lower? Possibly. Very possibly. Very possibly. I took one more trade there on the little short 50s down there into the 40s again. I just had to get, I have this problem, D. You got the same problem as me? You get to like, I was at 3,800.
Yeah, and you want,
And it's like you want to get about 4,000. See, but now I'm at 4,100. So now I might need to go for 5,000.
Yeah, I know, right?
She. The problem with being rich, man. I be looking at my bank account and I see 999. I'm like, damn it. Let me make 1,000 real quick. Let me put it. I gotta make it 1 million. 1 million flat. I want 1 million.
Yeah, guys. So we're bearish as long as we hold 25,674, guys. So we're gonna have more downside coming. So as long as we hold 25,674. There's probably more downside coming, but if we get back above that, then I would say look out because that's the 200 EMA, right? So
the
now
ES is losing 15-minute range, so it's like you got to give. I think either the Nasdaq's gonna chop around here for a minute while the ES figures out if it wants to go lower to fill that gap, right? Very, very teasy. ES is kind of like pushing back up off the bottom there, so could be some more patience needed on the Nasdaq short. Basically, just don't want it above 660s there.
Yes, it's actually the standard EMA. There's no publisher. It's just a regular EMA. So just go to TradingView and go to indicators. Punch in moving average, or
Is it just
put in EMA.
right? Yeah, EMA.
Yeah, just put in EMA,
Go to
guys.
indicators at the top there.
Yeah, moving average, exponential, and
Maybe.
it's gonna
Sorry.
pop up.
I don't know what happened.
And then you can change your setting to 200.
Yeah, it's literally just an EMA.
Yep.
Simple, easy. Something is tricky here. I'm watching the ES here, and I was thinking about getting short on the Nasdaq, but look at that pump right back up there again. Huh. I don't know. What do you think, chat? I'm up 20 grand on the day. On a Christmas day, Christmas week day. What do you think, Landon? Keep trading or walk away now? Who knows? You're up 20 grand on the day. What do? Do you walk away or do you keep trading? You're walking away for 20 grand? I like that. All right. Landon's walking away at 20 grand. I might do the same. Look at that nasty pump. Like, what is that? That's just stopping everybody out.
Oh yeah.
Everybody who's shorted down here
100%.
at the 650s is getting
Yeah,
fucked.
100%.
Just for no reason. Like, why? Why?
Yeah, and you're right back at the 200, guys. Right back at the 200 EMA. So this is like the make or break area for bears. Is this level, right? Like this 675. If
Dude,
we kind of get back,
the guy said he could go long all day, D.
yeah, I know, right?
Why did we not just go
I know,
long
right?
all day? I would honestly, this could just pump it right back up.
Yeah,
Look how the ES. If you guys are
yeah,
looking
this
at
is
the
a line
ES,
in the sand for sure.
ES is right back up there into that 920 area, the middle of that 15-minute range again. Yeah, I honestly thought we would start moving a little better once we broke the range. Maybe going into the 11 o'clock hour, things can look a little bit better here. So much time, so little. So much money, so little time.
Yeah, so if you kind of look at the price action chat, so the 15-minute chart, this candle pretty much shot straight up, right back up, right?
Straight back
So
up.
you got a lot of people that basically, if they kept holding, they got trapped. So that's why, like, in this kind of market, you kind of want to, you either want to kind of get in right off the EMAs, because that's like a safer spot. Doesn't mean it's gonna obviously always hold, but at least you know where the trade's invalid, right? Because if it pops back above the EMA, you're out of the trade. If you kind of get in the middle, like, so to speak, of like a previous candle, like you're in no man's land, right? And you probably got chopped, you got stopped out. But this area still, I mean, you got 25,675. You know, I wouldn't be feeling good if I'm still short right now, but my stop, I mean, you're pretty much there, right? You're pretty much there. So the low was put in, the 1 hour candle is bearish. It is bearish. You got like 14 minutes, a little bit over 14 minutes left on the current 1 hour candle. And you're going into, you got about 5 minutes before, right? A little bit less going into that last 10 minutes of the 1 hour candle. So yeah, this is like a little tricky area, because a lot of times you get a reaction back the opposite direction going into the close of a candle. But for bears, you want us back below 675, guys. We got to stay below 675. Like, we got to get back below 675.
I mean,
200 points down, yeah, but that doesn't matter, right? Like, I mean, and what I mean by that is that we've had a lot of kind of like ranging guys. You had like, we had a huge sell-off, and then you had a push right back up, right? You had a sell-off, then a push right back up. So that previous 5 minute candle that just closed, guys, could have been the push back up, and then we head back down. Like, you got to kind of wait and see.
kind of like a long, possibly like an aggressive
Yeah.
long.
And you're back above the 200. Yeah, the previous candle closed above the 200, so that's not great for sure.
I mean, the fact that I'm gonna try a long here. The fact that the ES is like ramping back up, I think that this thing could ramp back up. Right? I mean,
yeah, it's back above the 675.
There's 690s already. We're long from the 678s. I mean, that's 12 points if you want to. Well, that's 10 points up there to the 88s. I think we can go a little bit more though. The ES is just on a tear right now. Let's see if we can get through the 690 and then back above 700s. And then
I would trail it.
Got the VWAP and the pivot up there, 712. So let's see what happens. ES just got stuck at the same spot it got stuck at earlier. Nasdaq stuck here. Thinking about maybe adding here. See where this candle closes at. We're going into that 1050 to 11 o'clock macro. Anybody watch the Jake Paul fight this weekend? Jake Paul, man. Whew. I'll give him props, man.
Hey, at least he made the bag, right?
Yeah, he made a shit ton of money. But
Yeah.
Anthony Joshua, that guy is a fucking beast. And what's crazy is, like, I truly think that he went like 10%. Like, you know, like Anthony Joshua, like he was 10%.
But didn't he have like a year and a half off?
Yeah, but I'm saying, like, if you watch the fight, like, you could see
he was like kind of like
he was holding
himself.
back.
Yeah.
I mean, even the punch that fucking hit when he broke Jake Paul's jaw twice, like two breaks.
Yeah.
Like that wasn't like a haymaker. That was literally just like a hook.
Just
like
contact.
It was a right hook. Like
Just
it wasn't
contact.
like he didn't fucking, wind up and fucking deck him. Like it was just a hook.
Yeah.
So I was like, dude. I mean, I'm good. I'll pass on getting in the ring with Anthony Joshua.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, the guy's fucking, he's huge.
Yeah.
And you look at him, he's shredded. But yeah, dude, that was gnarly. Like, I think he honestly could have killed Jake Paul if he wanted to. Like, in the sense of just, really ruined his life. Punched him a few times in the head, and he never would have got up the right way. Which has also got to be kind of a thing for these guys when they're fighting in those, like, kind of expedition type things, Yeah, he said each round Jake's soul would leave his body. He definitely did that. Yeah, see, Joshua KO'd Francis. Yeah, no, I agree. I mean, I think he 100% barely played around. Taking Wilder over Anthony. I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. I think there's no way for Fury could fight Anthony at this point. There's just no way. I mean... But yeah, I mean, total props to Jake Paul for making a shit ton of money, getting more and more famous every day. I mean, people hate on him, but he just makes more money.
Yep.
Fuck him. Fuck the haters, make more money. All right, well, NQ just could not get through that high or through that area for now. I still think the longs might work. It just depends on how big you want your stop to be. Trying to figure out where I want my stop to be. I'd kind of say I wouldn't want it back below 650s there. The ES pushed right back up there, 920s. There's that pullback again. I'm going to try to add here 660s. And then basically my stop on this trade is 640 area. I want to see if we can put in a higher low here, obviously. Gold all-time highs. Uh-oh. Someone said it's clearly a short. Well, hey, go short then. Guys, just because I'm long don't mean you can't go short. I know that you think I'm the best to ever do it, but hey, sometimes I'm wrong. Right? Sometimes I'm wrong. Sometimes my P&L is green and I might be wrong, D.
Yeah, right.
I'll be like looking at it like, man, it's going up, but I think I might be wrong.
Yeah.
It might be
guys,
short.
As long as we hold the 200 EMA, like, on the 5-minute chart, and we're back above it right now, that's not great for shorts, right? You need momentum back below the EMA, guys. Back below 200 EMA. If you can't get it, we're gonna now 25,691. That's the 14 EMA on the 5-minute chart. So that would kind of be like a target area for me, because every time we get to the EMA, we kind of sell off. So that's the only issue I would see. But I would, if I'm long right now, that's probably where my take profit would be. But you want to see a momentum candle basically back below the 200 EMA, guys, for me to be short. Where can you find out about my trading strategy? Here on the streams. I stream Monday through Friday, typically 1:30 to 4. We actually uploaded a couple videos on the page as well. Just go to the video link, and you'll see some strategy videos and all that stuff.
1:30 p.m. Eastern. He here. You can talk to him. You can find out all about his strategy. People are like, man, how do I watch D-Buddy? Well, you can always just watch him live. Because the thing too is, I said the other day, right? At the end of the day, the best time or the best way to learn from somebody is to watch them do it live, right? Because anybody can sit here and be like, "Oh man," in hindsight, explain the trade.
Yeah,
right. But like, to do it in real time, to be like, "All right, guys, I'm looking for this candle to close here. If this candle closes, there's a bottom. This is what I'm looking for." Like, that's trading.
Exactly.
Right. If you're actually walking people through the trades and you're like, "Hey, look. As long as we can hold this level down here, I think we're bullish." And that's exactly what I just did.
Yeah.
And it's like, hey, I want to learn from you, Patrick. Okay, well, watch the live streams, because this is the best way to learn.
Yep.
Seeing it happen in real time.
I agree.
Because watching the video after the fact, it's like, what are you learning? You're just learning, so every time we break the VWAP, go short. Oh, okay. Oh, that works. Okay, So
Jerome is better than D Money. Let's go. Yeah, you want to see momentum out of here, guys. That's the thing, right? So you want price to kind of pick a direction because, like I said, if you literally put a line on your chart, like through the EMA, guys, and that line's pretty much there for the EMA, that's kind of like a line in the sand, right? And you look right now, bulls are temporarily in control because you got a long wick at the bottom of the current candle, guys. That's not bearish, that's bullish. Because price kind of dipped down to that 25,660 level and you had a reaction back the opposite direction. So that's definitely bullish. That's not, you don't want to see that if you're a bear. So
5-minute candle is stuck right there, that EMA
Yeah.
for now. You got the
And you
VWAP
can
with the
kinda see it.
700. It's kind of what I'm targeting, that VWAP push. You know, if we push up there to the VWAP with strength, kind of tap it. The ES is above the VWAP. ES is just literally sitting at the 920 area. Like, look at the fucking ES chart right now. What the fuck? I mean, it looks stupid, but like it's not bearish, right? It's just sitting there. So it's like something's gonna happen.
something's
here.
coming here.
The fact that we haven't went lower to fill that gap, it
Correct.
makes me think that there's a better chance that we push up now. You know, I don't fucking know.
And you're going into the close of
We got 5 minutes until the hourly candle closes here. If you look at the hourly candle on the Nasdaq, you got a big wick on the bottom there right now. VWAP there, 700s. Yeah, it's just stuck. So we're either gonna get fucking stopped or we're gonna get popped to the upside here. So that's how I'm letting it ride. At this point, if it don't hit, I'm gonna break this motherfucking golf club.
No, I was referring to the previous 5-minute candle,
People
not that
arguing who's
628
better,
low.
Jerome or D Money.
That's crazy, man.
I think Jerome he only trades gold. That's what I heard.
For cash.
Well, cash,
Stolen gold for cash.
stolen gold,
Probably.
cash. Come on, Nasdaq, let's do it.
Hey,
700 pump.
William, congrats on passing your eval, man. Congrats.
We got an eval passer.
Yeah. Congrats.
Woo-wee! I got you, buddy. Applause. If you pass the eval, you get 1 applause.
Okay, Sammy, congrats. $2,000 payout. Let's go.
Oh my God, let's go. Oh, we were so close. I thought we were gonna start going right there, like start
Yeah.
going. We got 2 minutes until this hourly candle closes.
1 hour chart on NVIDIA. Looks good. Bullish, like a bullish hammer. Long wick at the bottom.
Let's go, Tanner. $2,600 to go for a $22,000 payout. Uh-oh. That boy good. Don't blow it. Don't blow it. All right, we're going into this last 2 minutes of the hourly candle. Things could start ramping up here. You know how those last 2 minutes go. Last 2 minutes, things want to go. All right, I'm moving my stop to break even now, boys. So I'm kind of just like, hey, at this point, if it don't go, it ain't gonna go ever. So let's just put our stops break even and then let this ride a little bit. See if we can't push up there into the 700s next. As I do that, there's the pullback. Classic. We got a minute left here. Oh, God, if this stops me out. Now it's just the market makers are going to stop me out. This shit's rigged. Shit's rigged, Landon. The market makers are watching your daddy's stream, and they be doing this shit on purpose. Look at that.
Yep.
Come on.
14 EMA.
Come on. Come on, chat. It's rigged. Look, now they're stopping me out. Just to fuck with me. They didn't even take all of them. They just took one. They just got one. One contract per account. Just to get me, D.
It's crazy.
D, they be doing that shit, man.
Yeah.
They be trying to watch the live stream, but they're doing it to me like that, man. It's fucked up, man.
Yeah, we'll probably get more action in this 11 o'clock candle, guys. That's about to open. So,
all right, last contract riding here. Look at this fucking assholes. Stupid freaking market. How am I supposed to make money when it don't move? All right, there's the new hourly candle opening up.
yeah.
Let's see if we get fully stopped out here just for fun, you know, just to giggles. I like the giggles here. Now it'll probably fucking ramp straight back up to the moon. Cutie Julio said, I told you to short. Will you shut the fuck up, cutie? Hey, cutie, you ain't cute. I guarantee you're probably like a 40-year-old man who's like 300 pounds in his mom's basement. The fuck out of here, cutie. Look at that. They did this shit on purpose, D.
Yeah. They
Dude,
tried-
come on.
They stalled it.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Yeah, push it up.
What the fuck?
You gotta love it, man.
Bro, they did this shit on purpose.
You gotta love it. You gotta love
Bro,
it.
I literally moved my stops and the market pulled right back to my stops were. This shit ain't real. It's rigged. The market makers are watching my stream. Wow. Yeah, now she's like, oh, there's one more contract. Let me get that real quick. Let me get that first. Let me get that contract down there at 72 before going higher, sir. I mean, the ES is going nowhere. Stuck at the 920s. God, how am I supposed to make money when the market don't move?
Yeah, guys, you're moving a little sideways on the 5-minute chart.
All right, we're all stopped out. Wow. Wow.
So now you got to kind of wait for a momentum candle, either direction, right? Either we pop above 691 or we drop back with a momentum candle below 670, like 672, guys. And then that will kind of give you some direction, but previous 1 hour candle was bearish. We know that. So the gap, if they're going to push this thing down to
Get
fill
ready
the
to
gap.
go up now.
Yeah.
Now that I'm stopped out, sir. Market maker, go pump it.
598.
He's out. He's out. Let it go higher now. John Lev said bad role models. Hey, John Lev, I ain't got time for you today. Your little insignificant fucking whatever's. No, I ain't got no time for you. You ain't gonna put me on. Nope, ain't gonna happen. I'm the best fucking role model in the world, right? I've overcome everything. Every issue, every problem in life, I've overcome it. Right? I was ugly, but I became beautiful. I was poor and I became rich. I was fat and I became shredded. I only had one boat and I bought 2 boats. I only had 1 car and now I've got 20. See? I am the best role model ever. All right, let's be honest. Look at this bullshit. Man, I really thought we'd get a little bit better price action today, D. I'm not gonna lie.
I agree.
But that's what happens when you think.
Man.
So remember the guy earlier at Open? He's like, "What are you gonna do at Open?" You're like, "I don't know."
Yeah,
we'll see.
we gotta
what
wait and
happens.
see because
We're gonna see what happens.
yeah, that's the thing that sucks, guys. Is sometimes like when you get those like decent moves, like at Open, at market open, like at night, 6 o'clock at night, and it kind of pushes in one direction. Sometimes you get this, right? You get like you get one little drop to the downside or something, and then you'll kind of hang out. So we're building up for something, guys. We're ranging now for something, and like I said, it's either going to be based off that 1 hour candle. We're going to fill the gap down below at like 598, or we're gonna
Bro.
trap some people and head back up. But got to wait for a break basically out of this range. Either direction.
Felony, if you donate, if I get 2,000 likes by 11:15, come on, chat, where are we at right now?
1,500.
We need 500 more likes to get a $1,000 cash giveaway bonanza. Come on, chat. Come on, chat.
Biblical to Tim. Yeah, right now we're ranging, so it can go either direction, right? It can go, price can go up or down. Like, we don't know. We're stuck in a range. You got to wait for momentum in either direction, and that's probably going to be your answer, right? So if we get a break with momentum to the downside, we're probably headed to the 500s. If we get a break to the upside, we're going to challenge maybe 790. But right now we're stuck in a range. If you look at every candle since you can look at the last 4 candles on the 5-minute chart. We're stuck in a range, and those candles are small. Look at the bodies of the candle. We're stuck in a range right now. Anything other than that is guessing, right? We're stuck in a range. Until we break out, you got to be patient.
We're stuck in a range, in a bigger range.
Yeah, like, I hate to say it, but that's, yeah. And like some,
even if we break out here, we're still in the middle of the range.
yeah. Like, sometimes, guys, that's just how it is. Like, I know, and sometimes you know it's hard to like accept that because you want price action to be good, but I'm kind of used to this now because of the afternoon session. Because a lot of times you get it in the afternoon.
I'm making you a better trader.
Yeah,
see?
a lot of times you
I'm
get this
making
in the
you better
afternoon.
because the market don't move.
So guys, yeah, we're at 1,700 likes. We should be well over 2,000, guys. We got over almost 4,500 people tuned into the stream. Saw a lot of W's in the chat. Do us a solid, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, this is your first time rocking out with us, we appreciate it, guys. You know what to do.
You know what to do. Everybody wants to go with you to the tippity top, to the tippity top. We want to fly away to the tippity top, to the tippity top. All right, boys, I'm telling you, we get through 690s, we're going somewhere. I don't know where we're going to go, but I think we're going to go somewhere.
Probably pop hard to the upside to 750.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Look at the ES.
We just got to get above the 14.
Something's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen, but something is going to happen. 690's got to break. Oh, God. Oh, God. No way. They did not just do that again. They just they do it again. This is, it's crazy.
Yeah, it's literally, right now.
It's crazy.
200, we need 100 more likes, guys, for that $1,000
1-minute chart looks like it's fucking it's
donation.
1 a.m. Looks like it's not even, it's worse than 1 a.m. That's like a 7 p.m. Eastern.
That's a
fucking move.
That's a 2 o'clock range right there. If I ever see one Eastern
I swear to God. I'm not doing this. I'm quitting. I ain't ever trading the week of Christmas ever again. Next year. I'll do it this year, but not next year. Because next year I'm going to be so rich I won't need to anymore. I'm retiring next year, D. Hope you can handle it.
Yeah, so you see, guys, this is what I was saying, right? So in a range, you sell the top of the range, you buy the bottom of the range, guys. And we're in a very small range right now, points wise. So if you kind of measure it, not even 20 points, guys, on these last like 4 candles. It's gonna break out either direction. You just gotta wait.
Well, yeah, once we're done streaming.
But we're in a 20 point roughly range right now on the last like 4 or 5
candles. If we go to lunch
candles.
right now, it'll guaranteed it's gonna go up.
It'll pop, yep.
Chevy Ryden, you went on 5 different accounts to like the live. Let's go. Don't stop at 5. Go for 10, bro. Don't be an underachiever. Be an overachiever. You know? Be an overachiever, sir. 50 accounts. More likes. More likes. We're only 20 likes away from 2,000, by the way. D-Money said if we get to 3,000 today, he'll take his shirt off and stream live in the afternoons for all the ladies out there. I don't know about you guys, but I don't know if I'm supposed to say anything, but there might be a romance novel in the works.
Oh,
A
man.
D-Money romance novel.
Let's go.
I heard there's a lot of women on the D-Money show trying to get with them. Trying to get with them.
How do you measure the range? You just look at the last like candles. Like you can see the last 3 or 4 candles. We're trying to break out of this to the upside, guys. We just put in a high.
I mean, the ES is breaking out, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's one of those days. Right, look at the ES. Well, it just broke out through these highs from earlier. The fact that the ES is doing that, it's hard to like be short on the Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Right? It's not that I'm like, oh, I'm so fucking bullish. It's just that, well, maybe even if the Nasdaq's going to be bearish, maybe it pushes up a little bit more and then pulls back. So that's my thought process. Like for the Filipino women. Thank you. Thank you. 3,000 likes. We're going to fly D-Money to the Philippines to have the D-Money dating show live from the Philippines.
All right, there you go, guys. So there's a push out of the range
Finally.
to the upside above the
Finally.
fort, and that matches with the 14 EMA as well, guys. So if this can hold, then you might get a momentum candle up here to at least 700 or sorry 709
Apple's
or higher.
ramping back up too now. Saw that. Somebody else noted that. Can you take me higher? Crazy. They just like, they don't want it to go. I mean, worst gonna worst, just go up like 30 points really quickly
Yeah.
and then come back down.
Yeah, yeah, you got a higher probability, guys, that we pop up here to the upside now. Because you broke out of that range, right? So
Right, yeah.
after that consolidation. So longs are in play here, guys. Longs look good right now.
Come on,
In my
Nasdaq.
opinion.
Go! 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 I couldn't show my entry there because the market makers are watching the stream and they're holding the market down. So I thought maybe if I don't show my entry, that may... Oh my God, they just did it again. Look at that. The moment that I showed my screen, the market pulls back. I'm not even lying, chat. Y'all think you think I'm kidding right now, but I'm telling you, this shit's rigged. The Nasdaq is watching my live stream, and I cannot trade live on YouTube anymore. I can't do it anymore. I'm too big now. That's the problem of being so big. The algorithms. Look, look at that. The high of that candle right there was 775. My first take profit is 701. Come on. The conspiracy is real.
I'm telling you, it's gonna.
It's real. This shit is real, D. ICT's not real. He's fake. I'm real. See? All right, let's go a little bit more. We're right there at the VWAP now, so we're either going to get stuck here or we're going to rip through there, obviously. So let's see. Bro, they're not watching you. What are you talking about? They are. Explain to me how the market always gets right to my target and doesn't go higher.
Yeah.
Explain that. You can't. You can't explain it. People
Yeah,
are like, they're
guys.
not watching you. No, they watching me. I swear. Watch. See, I'll put my target at 703. Look, pulls back. Look at that. You trying to tell me that they don't watch? They ain't watching. You're trying to tell me they ain't watching. Come on now. Bouncy, bouncy. Even Landon knows the market makers are watching. Shit's rigged. It's like, you know, it's like stream sniping, but Fortnite, but trading. The shorts are watching my trades live. The liquidity. I'm their liquidity. They're using me as liquidity. Guys, I need you all to stop using market orders. Don't put your stop losses and your targets where mine are, you fuckers. That's the problem, D. Everyone's putting their take profit at the same spot. Everyone's like, okay, he's going to sell at 703. Okay, I'm going to sell at 703. Watch. If I move my profit target up, it'll go higher. Watch. Watch, chat. Just watch. It's going to, watch. This candle's going to go up now. Now that I move my profit target. Look, it'll break through 703. Watch. 703 going to break at her. Going to break 703. Just watch. I moved my target from 703. Look at that. Did I not just tell you? Dude! I can't trade anymore. I gotta quit, D. Time to retire. I'm too big. I just told you. Guys, you don't even believe me. The chat don't even believe. I just moved my target up, and what did it do?
It went to 704.
It went right below my target again. You got it. You guys, I'm being serious. You guys think I'm kidding right now, but this is real. This is the market makers. They're watching the stream. Watch. If I move my target up through the 707s, what's going to happen next? It's going to break through 707. Watch.
Yeah. We're probably going to get a hopefully we'll get a spike here, guys, to kind of with momentum to the upside, like a larger pump.
Look.
There you
go. It just took out the 707s. Bro, you got it. I mean, I'm not even kidding right now.
Yeah.
How is this even real life?
So guys, the person, I forgot his username, but he was basically saying that we could go up or down. So hopefully you could kind of like see what we were saying, right? Once we got out of the range, we're gonna get momentum to whatever direction that is, and that's what's happening right now. So
dude, this shit's rigged, D.
Hopefully you took that trade.
I'm over it, D. I'm out of this. It's bullshit. All this shit's bullshit. Look, if I put my targets here, it's gonna crash the market. Watch, see? Watch. Watch. All right, let's trick the market makers into thinking that I'm gonna get short. Guys, I'm gonna short here at 707. Wink, wink. This is for the market makers who are listening. I'm shorting at 707. I'm shorting at 707. See? Now it's gonna pump because I just said that. Look, see? Look at that! The minute that I talked about shorting at 707, it went higher. I don't know why people don't believe me that this is real life right now. Everyone's like, Patrick, stop it. You don't know what you're talking about. The market makers don't want your stops. Yeah, right. Well, you tell me why. Look at that. I put my stop order and it takes it. Look at that. It just takes it. See? Bam. Put an order, takes it. Put another order, and then what's it do? It takes it. See? Just told you guys. Takes it.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised, guys. 720 plus here. Let's go, baby.
Now that I'm out, now we go higher. But I do want to point out, D, before I, walk away and claim victory.
Yeah.
I want to point out my long idea, right? I was getting long down there at the 660s. I got stopped out for like break even.
Yeah.
And look at it now. And the reason that I was looking for those longs down there is simply because of this. Right? The 5-minute chart had that big wick down. We took all that out. We pushed right back up. We got back inside the opening range. So what's happening there is now, well, guess what? Now we're back in that first 15-minute candle, right? The low was 673.
Yeah.
So now, like in my head, if we're staying above the low of that 15-minute candle that took us all the way down, that's bullish.
Yeah.
Right? Because again, it's like if that's the low of the opening range candle, then if we're going to be bullish, then we want to stay above that 670 level.
Yeah. I agree.
That boy good? I love you.
We rank. I love you. I love you. I love you.
I love you. I love you. I love you. Love you.
So guys, yeah.
6-7, boys. 6-7.
If you didn't, so from that 690 area, guys, that was somebody said am I taking another trade? I mean, we talked about the log breaking out to the upside, guys, right off the 14 EMA. So if you didn't take it,
I mean, that's the funny thing, right, about this stream sometimes is people are like we call out, we're like, hey, this looks like a really good long opportunity.
Yeah.
And then 5 minutes later, like yeah, but when's the trade? You're like,
yeah. I literally just said up to 722, guys. Yeah. Right? That's what I said as far as the high. I said 722.
Sir, it only went to 720 though.
Yeah, it went to like 720.
It went to 720.
So you didn't catch
sir,
it.
I think I want a refund. Sir, please give me a refund.
I know, right?
I want a refund. I want a refund from this live stream. This live stream is too good. All right, I'm gonna get out of here at 11:30, D. I'm over at 11:30. All right.
Yeah. 1 minute 200 moving average longs countdown. Remember? Yeah. I don't trade the 1 minute chart, so but wouldn't be surprising. D Money, I want my 2 points. It's crazy, man. So yeah, guys. So if you, like I said, the consolidation that we were in, the little range, it just took a little while. And now that when I saw that first candle close above the 14 EMA, so that's the 1105 candle, guys, that was the signal to go long, because we broke out of the range. It matched up with the EMA, you know, being above the 14 EMA. So you got to pump. And I wouldn't be surprised, like if this candle closes, it's going to close above the 50 EMA. The 15-minute chart is also above the 14 EMA as well. So we could be headed up. This could be a V-shaped recovery on the 15-minute chart as well. Like kind of matching up with what we kind of see on the 5-minute chart, guys.
Mr. D Money, I would also like to point out the fact too, like we said, right? The ES. You saw how the ES like held the low. You don't really look at the ES, do you?
Nah.
Yeah, you don't really. But if you're looking at the ES,
I look at Nvidia more, I think.
Yeah.
Than, yeah.
But if you're looking at the ES, I just want to point out, like the ES was basically stuck there at the 920s, right? So the ES was inside the 15-minute range while the Nasdaq was at the bottom of the 15-minute range. So for me personally, I was looking at it like, well, the ES is looking pretty bullish. It's kind of leading the way here. So that's why I was like, while the Nasdaq was down there at the lows, I was expecting, as long as the ES keeps pushing up through here, well, then the Nasdaq should try to push back up. And that was kind of like my thought process. You know, it don't always work perfectly like that, but I would say, you know, majority of the time, if the Nasdaq's selling off and the ES are selling off together, well, then that's what you want to see, right? That's when you get good price action.
Yeah, they're correlated.
The bad price action is when the Nasdaq's doing one thing and then the ES is doing one thing. So for me personally, I really want to kind of keep an eye on the Nasdaq and the ES together, because I want to see the ES and the Nasdaq kind of making new lows, making higher highs, and vice versa. Whereas if the ES is holding up and it's not going lower, then I'm like, this might be a trap on the Nasdaq, because then it's like, you know, maybe the Nasdaq just like chops around here some more, right? You know, it's kind of. And look, like right now, again, it's like, as soon as the Nasdaq, the ES had some trouble there at the 930s, and you can see the Nasdaq kind of slowed down again. So the ES did break out to the upside, 15-minute range. So the ES broke out up there to the 930s, pulled back right now, and you can see kind of the same exact pattern on the Nasdaq, pulling back here again, 710. So right now the ES is leading the market. I think the Dow is going higher as well. So the ES and the Dow are leading while the Nasdaq's kind of just holding up there. So something to think about. I don't know, food for thought. You know, not that you should always be looking at the ES and the Nasdaq every single minute, but I do. If I'm long on the Nasdaq, I want to see the ES looking good for a long. Yeah. And if I'm short on the Nasdaq, I want to see the ES looking like a short. And that's just kind of what I've learned over the years of looking at charts. They really should kind of be moving in correlation. The more correlation, the better.
The better, yeah. Also,
like, I'll play around with the idea. Like, let's say the ES is holding the VWAP, but the Nasdaq's below the VWAP. Yeah. Something to think about as well sometimes, because I'm like, you know, just little things. You know, you notice little things over the years. It's not like these aren't like secrets that no one else ever talks about, but that's just kind of what I've noticed and seen over all the years of doing this now, and trying to figure out what works, what doesn't work, how to make money, how to lose money, how to, you know, how to keep money, right? Because that's just the story of how to keep it, how to stay green on the day, right? If you're green on the morning and you're looking at the ES, you're like, well, the Nasdaq's looking bearish, but the ES is looking bullish. Yeah. So I gotta like either be patient and wait for the ES to turn more bearish, or I might want to start looking for a reversal on the Nasdaq. So pretty happy with that either way. Right now it is 11:23. We're doing this live all week long, except for obviously Christmas. If you guys have not already hit that like button, subscribe button, big shout out to everybody that supports the stream. It's been almost a year, D-Money. Did you watch some of the first BDH shows?
Yeah, I kind of went back and watched some of them.
Yeah.
But
How do
you know,
you
I
feel,
was
though?
watching.
Just like yourself. Like, you've got to feel more comfortable now.
Oh, 100%. Yeah.
When you first came in here, fucking green
Oh,
as
man,
a
you're
green.
like,
That guy
yeah.
was fresh off the boat. He didn't know what was going on. He was like, oh, man.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm kind of obviously a little bit more seasoned now as far as streaming. So
Now you got a little bit more
Here.
haters, too, huh?
ah man, yeah, they're starting to
Ooh.
pop up. They're believe it or not. It's
Hey,
some-
man, I always say, if you ain't got haters, then you ain't doing nothing worth hating on.
Yeah.
Right? It's that simple. It really is. Right? If you sucked at trading and you were ugly and you were just, you had nothing going for you, then no one would hate on you. Because
Yep,
there's a
I
lot of
agree.
YouTube channels like
I
that.
agree.
There's a lot of live streams where you go there and there's no one watching. Right? And no one hating. But it's like, why do they hate on you? Is it because people are watching?
Yeah. Yeah.
They hate on
it's
you
like,
because like there's something to hate on.
it's crazy,
Right? You
man.
got like you're here at the BDH. They just jealous. The
Yeah.
haters want to be at the BDH more than anything.
It's crazy, man.
They be dreaming about the BDH. Late at night, they wake up. BDH? No, checking their emails every morning. Did I get an email? No. Fuck. So,
Nah, guys, there's some haters that. So guys, if you tune in the afternoons, there's a couple haters that pop up every now and again, guys. There's a few. How can anyone hate D-Money? Hey, I appreciate that. The new TLR. I
I
appreciate
hate
it.
E-Money. Fucking, he pisses me off sometimes,
I
man.
hate you. I hate
fucking,
you.
I see the chat, and the chat be like, man, we love D-Money more than you. I'm like, well, fuck D-Money. I'll call him right now. Hey, D-Money, you fired. Peace.
He go.
Who you love now, chat? Who do you love now? If you don't have D-Money, then you can't love D-Money. See? I'm like a fucking dictator up in here. Fucking, I'm like, what's his name? Cuba. Fidel Castro. I'm like fucking Fidel Castro, boys. You don't like what I'm putting out, then, hey, get out of here, boy. We're going to be live tomorrow morning together once again. It might be the final and last time. You never know, for the year at least. We'll see. Hopefully, I mean, if it honestly, if it
The price act. Yeah, we
if
need
it
better.
stays like this and it's like, I'm not even gonna try on Wednesday. But
Yeah.
you know what's gonna be fucking hilarious?
It's gonna move like crazy.
Wednesday
on
it'll be just
Christmas Eve.
amazing, and we're gonna miss out. So fuck. Either way we fuck. Honestly, either way we just
Oh,
fuck.
man.
So, I'm pretty happy with that though. On the day right now, looking real good on the day here in these live Take Profit Trader accounts. You can see these are 50K accounts, by the way. These are live, real money accounts with the prop firms. And 4,377, 4,200 times 5. I think that's like 20,000 something. Whatever the difference is, I'll give it to Landon. He needs the money. Landon, he's really impressing me lately. He's starting to really become a person. He used to just be like a worthless little kid who had nothing to do, but now he's starting to contribute to society. He's paying taxes, He's out there working. He's putting in the time. He's making it happen. I had him clean the boat a little bit the other day. What else have you been doing? I'm trying to think about. Oh, yeah. What a weird moment, right? He's like, hey, I'm going to go to Walmart and get a new bike pump. I'm like, you're going to go to Walmart?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I'll be fine. And I'm like, are you sure? I was a little worried, to be honest. I kind of was like, fuck, man. Because, it's just like, again, it's not that I don't think Landon is capable of going to Walmart. It's just that there's fucking so many idiots driving around
Oh man.
that I don't trust the idiots. So
Yeah.
I tell him, I'm like, you got to drive, you got to ride your bike like it's fucking World War II. And every car is trying to kill you, right? Because, like, that's the truth. Nobody is watching out for a kid on a bike.
Nah.
Everybody's
man.
on their phone. Everybody's looking at fucking Twitter.
It's true. It's true.
And it's not even I'm trying to be like overprotective. I want him to just spread his wings and fly, but at the same time, the worst thing that could ever happen is something bad happen to him, and then, that's obviously going to be on me. So I got to protect the boy. Yeah, I mean, I told him he's got to wear a helmet. He don't listen to me. Oh, that's not what your sister said. Your sister said you never wear a helmet.
She
Well,
snitched.
yesterday you wore a helmet.
Look at the pop.
Yeah, what about when you're at your mom's house?
I don't have anything to-
All right, well, we're going to get you a fucking full body helmet. Get you a bubble suit. So, we'll see. But yeah, I mean, that's the big thing for me right now is just keep on building the business, spending time. Dude, Friday was so epic.
Oh yeah.
Right, going fishing. We got Landon out there. Victoria was there. The whole crew was out there. It was a great time. Tell us about the fishing on Friday, Landon. I gotta get this. Why does this thing keep turning off on you? Blame Jason. Jason definitely fucked up the camera. The editor. Editor definitely fucked up the camera, no doubt about it.
Yeah, people are definitely watching YouTube streams while driving.
Yeah. Don't watch YouTube streams while driving. You're gonna kill a kid.
Man.
Scoot more that way so you see yourself in the thing. All right, tell us, Landon, how was fishing on Friday?
It's good.
Yeah.
Real good.
Do you think D-Money's got what it takes to be a fisherman?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the
You
drop.
gonna put him
back
in
down.
there? All right. Well, what do you think about D-Money in general?
Cool.
Cool dude?
Appreciate that. Appreciate
All
that.
right. You think he's got what it takes to take over the reins at the BDH next year and really, be the guy?
Next year.
Next year, I'm retiring, man. People don't believe me. I'm gonna go disappear into the desert. Baja.
Look at this. Who is this? Veman. Who is that? Veman. Viva Honey. Landon caught a rock. He caught fish. He caught some
He
fish
did
also.
get a rock. You
Yeah,
caught a
yeah,
rock.
he caught a
That was
rock, but
good
he caught some
rock.
fish
I caught
also.
a rock
You caught a
too.
bigger
I caught a bigger rock.
Yeah.
That was a big.
Yeah,
ass
he actually
rock.
caught a lot of fish though, guys. I think he
dude,
caught
what do you
like at
got?
least 3.
Sailfish.
Yeah, but Landon
Yeah.
caught like I think 3 or 4 fish. He was snagging them before like anything else.
Yeah.
He was snagging
Snagging
them.
them. That's what Landon does. He just snags them.
I've never snagged stuff.
He just
Captain
snagger.
D Money.
I don't snag stuff.
Snagging them fish.
I caught the most fish that day, yeah?
Yeah, you
Yeah,
always catch the
yeah,
most fish.
you
That's what
did.
happens when you're the boss's son.
He did.
Hey, when you're the boss's son, you can do whatever you want. I remember when I was the son, I worked for my dad's construction company
Yeah.
growing up, and it was always so funny because like my dad would be like, "All right, go work," and I'd be like, "Yeah," and I would just like do the most random shit, like find a nice little tree to take a break, take a nap at.
Adapt.
Dude,
Yeah.
I used to. This is back in the day before iPhones, right? So I went to Barnes and Noble.
Yeah.
I went to
Barnes and Noble used to be the spot
and
back
I
in the
would
day.
read
Yeah.
magazines.
Yeah, that
Like,
used
what
to
a
be.
fucking crazy world.
But remember, that used to be like.
That was our Instagram,
Yeah,
right? Look,
yeah.
market pulling back here now.
Yeah, it's pulling back heavy.
But yeah, it was hilarious because like I would tell my dad, I'd be like, "Oh, I gotta go to the bathroom," and a lot of times we didn't have any bathrooms on the job site, so you have to go to the gas station or whatever. And
Yeah.
yeah, it was hilarious because I fucking would go to Barnes and Noble and read the new surfing magazines and crazy world, man. Someone said they just got long. All right.
Oh.
Not a terrible idea. Just need to hold this level here now. The ES is still kind of pushing right above the 15-minute range. Looks like Apple is having some trouble getting above that 273 level. So Nasdaq pulling back here. We're right there at that pivot point as well, 25,714. So someone in the chat said I went long, and then somebody else goes, "I told you to go long."
Yeah. I saw that.
Like the people in the chat are telling the other people now. The people in the chat are now
man.
telling the other people in the
Crazy,
chat to
man.
go long.
It's crazy.
And then when someone says I got long, they're like, "Yeah, see, I told you so.
Yeah, I told you.
I told you so."
They wait for the trade to work out, then they say, yeah.
Patrick, I told you to get long. Oh, damn it. Yeah, Books A Million, Barnes and Noble.
Yeah, Books A Million it used to be.
Just like when we were teenagers, my parents would like drop us off at like Barnes and Noble.
Yeah.
We'd go hang out at Barnes and Noble. They had like a little Starbucks in there.
I remember like going to Walmart like as a kid was like an
dude.
adventure. I mean,
Walmart
that was like
an adventure.
Yeah, that was like an adventure.
My parents would take us to Walmart and be like, "All right, don't come back.
Yeah.
Meet us here in the front in 2 hours." And be like, "What?" And you were so pumped up. You go to the bike section, right?
Yeah.
Go to the toy section.
It
go to
was
the video game section.
Yeah, it was
maybe
a
hit up
field
the
trip.
fishing section.
Yeah, it was a field trip.
Yeah, no.
And
the
it's
best
funny-
was my parents would take me there at like midnight. Right, that was like a thing. I don't know why, but my mom would be like, "Yeah, we're going to Walmart at 11 o'clock." But maybe she was going. Maybe my mom left me at Walmart for 2 hours while she went to the bar. That could have been a thing. You never know. Yeah, no. I used to try to. Then you pick up the, when you were working like retail, how many times did people like pick up the phone and try to fuck with the intercoms?
Oh, all the time. All the time. I mean,
so good.
So I mean, yeah, all the time. Kids get out of school, they come in there and they do it. On the weekends.
You see that
it's
one?
crazy.
I saw one recently where the kids are like in there and they're like yelling, "Help me!" And then like moving,
man.
and then the old guy's like trying to find out like who's yelling. And he's like, "Did you yell?" And the kid's like, "No." He's like, "Someone's yelling." I feel like working retail, you just got to get so many trolls and little fuckers fucking with you all the time.
But it's like crazy, like going in. I was in Target yesterday with my daughter.
Yeah.
And just
When
picking
you
up.
go to Target, do you just see all the things that are wrong?
Oh yeah, 1,000%.
Like, oh, no,
I'm like, man,
terrible.
I'm like, if the
If
district
I was a
manager,
manager, ooh.
yeah, I'm like, if the district manager comes in here right now, like that store manager is gonna get coached, gonna get written
That's
up.
pretty funny.
So like, but it's crazy because you go in there now and it's like a breath of fresh air because now I'm like legit like a customer.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Now you don't have to
Versus,
fucking worry about
man,
shit.
it's such a like relief. Guys, retail management is like tough. If you're a store manager, you're always thinking about it. And the issue is you got so much foot traffic, especially on the weekends, and it's going into, remember, it's the weekend before Christmas. Everybody's doing their last minute shopping. That's going to continue between now and Wednesday. And
How long ago did you start working in retail?
man, I worked in retail, I think when I moved from Fort Myers over to this coast, to the East Coast, I think it was like 16 years ago.
16
15 years
years. So
ago?
you really saw the evolution of the internet.
Oh,
with
absolutely.
Sales.
Oh, absolutely. Like I was
Yeah.
when Target rolled out the whole online thing and all. Oh yeah, I was there for
Were
that.
you like, what did you like as an employee and like working in that space at the time? Like, did you think it was the future, or did you think like, this is a fucking waste of time?
I knew it was the future.
Yeah.
Because if you're like, oh, you know what, I can order this and it'll be ready, because at that point it was like 2-hour pickup.
Yeah.
Like now they can do it a little faster, but sometimes it's like 2 hours, whatever. I'm like, man, that's the future. If I could just sit home and order it.
Well, the crazy, the conspiracy theory is that like I think COVID really changed the world, right? We went for at least me. I never used Uber Eats ever.
Yeah. And now,
before COVID, I was like, I made it a thing where I was like, no, I'm gonna go to the restaurant.
Yeah.
I'm gonna order. I'll pick it up myself.
Mm-hmm.
But during COVID, like there were restaurants that you couldn't even go to unless you use Uber Eats. Like they had a protocol where it's like, oh, you got to order on Uber Eats and then they'll fucking deliver it to you.
Yeah.
So I think like it really changed everything, right? It changed the whole world. We went from a world where like everybody went to the stores, went shopping, but even like this Christmas, I didn't go to one store.
Nah.
I bought a shit ton of stuff, but I didn't go to one store.
Yeah. It's COVID. Well, I mean, the average like Target customer is like a female over the age of 35, and she typically has like two kids.
Your type.
So, and
not the two kid part, but 35.
She typically has 2 kids. So if you think about that, like, right, that kind of breakdown, and then you think about like COVID, and then you got a lot of elderly people that weak immune systems, like stuff like that. And that's when online like took off.
Yeah.
That's why it took off so hard.
It was funny, man, because when I lived in Hawaii, I never been anywhere else in the world that does this. So maybe you've heard of it, but they do. It's called Kapuna hour, right? So it used to be that like the grocery stores and stuff between like 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock, it was you had to be 60 plus, and that wasn't just during COVID.
Oh yeah.
You see that?
Yeah. They used to do that. Like they stopped. They actually used to do that.
It was funny. You know what's funny as fuck?
That was when I first started. They had like from like 6 to 7 or something. They had like senior citizen hour where they could come in for the first hour and shop.
Yeah, but that's how it was in Hawaii. And it was funny because I would go to the store all the time, and it was on certain days. It was like Tuesdays and Thursdays. Mm-hmm. And you go to the store, and they'd be like, "Oh, sorry, sir, you can't come in."
Yeah.
And you're like, "What do you mean?" They're like, "It's Kapuna hour." You're like, Kapuna hour. What y'all know about Kapuna time? Kapuna! PW, what's for lunch today? I think we're going, Victoria's coming to the BDH, and we're gonna go to dinner, I think. Oh,
Walmart.
just got news that my Seakeeper is working now.
Oh, nice.
Won't be rocking anymore. So next time you go fishing, the boat won't be rocking.
Nice.
So you can come knocking.
Nice.
All right, I mean, we're stuck below the VWAP now. This just looks like maybe we chop back down to the bottom of the fucking range again. I wouldn't get long here at this point. That 5-minute candle just got rejected there at the 700s again. Kind of looking like a bear flag on the 1-minute chart. I mean, this would maybe if we pull back to the bottom of the range again, then this kind of plays out as like one big inverse head and shoulders type thing. Like the shoulder. I don't know. Like, I don't know how this thing right here, how does that affect the inverted head and shoulders? It's so hard. It's hard to know. Tekia said, I'm short 25-7-12. What's the line from Hunger Games they say? May what are the lot? Well, you know that I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? In Hunger Games. May fortune be on your side. No. Someone in the chat knows it. Did you see that Trump announced the Patriot Games?
No, I didn't see that.
Bro, it's just like, it's like we live in a world now where everything is just becoming a meme. Right? Trump's like, yes, we're going to have the Patriot Games. Right? Patriot Games are going to be one man, one woman from each state. And I'm like, did he watch Hunger Games and just like come up with this idea?
He was watching it last night, and then he was like, "Oh,
He's like
yeah.
watching, he's watching Hunger Games. He's like, Melania, this is the perfect idea. Why did we not do this in America already?
Oh man,
The states need to understand who is boss.
It's crazy, man.
The states need to know. All right, I mean, there's a little pump right back up. That 5-minute candle, you gotta love it. I don't fucking know. Look at that. I mean, it's hilarious. So you look at the 5-minute candle. The previous candle had a big wick on top. Now this candle pushes right back up, right at the open. For what reason? Why? Why? ES is still holding up. ES is at the top of the 15-minute range, holding up. California is definitely not District 12. Though, wait, which states do you think will be like the top states? I think Florida, Texas, California, probably the top states.
Yeah, I agree.
And then like Oklahoma and like those kind of places, they fucked. They're gonna be down. That'd be pretty sick. Tax games. The state that wins doesn't have to pay federal tax. That could really, you know, up the participation award. District Florida. 50K eval pass. Greetings from Argentina.
Nice.
Hey to Argentina. I go to Argentina. I've never been to Argentina actually. Maybe one day. Nah, New York definitely not gonna be. New York's gonna be a shithole. There ain't no way, you know, I mean, you just gotta think about it. 100 years from now, New York, it's just gonna be gone. It's gonna be gone. They're gonna have Muslim flags everywhere. Sharia law. All the women are gonna be walking around in burqas. New York gonna be burqa city.
Yeah,
all
guys.
right, well.
For longs here, you want these lows like have to hold, right? If not, you're in trouble. So whoever was saying they were long, you want basically the previous 5-minute candles low, like that 693 area to hold, and we expand higher.
I like it. I mean, that 30-minute candle, there's no wick on the top. There's a little baby dick wick. Someone says, what's wrong? What's wrong with the burqas? Nothing's wrong with the burqas, but keep them in your country. In America, we like big titties, small bikinis, and guns. And fast cars. V8s. Uh-huh. If you ain't got, if your religion don't approve, then get the fuck out. Simple. Don't come to America and try to change America. You know? Don't come to America and try to change America. Go back to whatever fucking dust bowl you come from. Yeah, New Yorkistan. New Yorkistan! Nuns wear similar shit. Well, do you see me having sex with nuns, bro? Who's talking about nuns here? You guys talking about nuns right now. The Native Americans are shaking their heads. Yeah, they are. They're like, hey, are these fucking idiots letting these Muslims come over and take America? What happened last time somebody came and took over America? It got taken over. The Indians told the white people, said, don't let them. Don't let them. Yeah, the Somalians are taking over Minnesota. Damn, that's pretty. I like that. Nuns don't have to wear their habits. They choose to. Damn. I never thought about it like that. It's a good point. Good point. Good point. Good point. All right, well, we are stuck below the VWAP here. I mean, there's kind of like the theory that this is going to be this inverted head and shoulders. I don't know. PW, your mouth will be your downfall one day. No, it won't. It'll be my upfall. Because the same people that are upset about me talking about how we don't want the Muslims taking over America are the same people that we're trying to keep out of America. So, I think I'm going to be good. America, baby. We good. We trying to go on the boat. We trying to get little bikinis. We trying to shoot guns. We trying to drive V8s. If it ain't a V8, I don't want it. I think this is gonna be a long. I don't know why, but look at the ES.
It needs to hold like that range, right?
ES
The
is
top
kind
the
of
range.
bull flagging at the top of the opening range right now. You know, like even on the 5-minute chart. So, guys, and like I said before, I'm totally fine offending. I'm totally fine offending people. It don't bother me. I'm not here to be friends with everybody. I'm here to make money. Your Porsche and Lambo aren't V8s. Shit, he got me. Yeah, but they're imports. They don't count. My Raptor is a V8, all right? My Raptor is a V8. Answer me one simple question. If America is so shitty and nobody wants to live in it, why does everyone want to live in here? Think about that. Think about that. If the Muslim countries are so good, why do all the Muslims want to live in America? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Imagine if I moved to fucking Iraq and then I drove around with an American flag. What do you think is going to happen? I'm going to get shot. If I move to America with the Iraqi flag, everyone just goes, oh, that's nice. May the odds forever be in your favor. Amen. I mean, this is looking like upside down, dingle-dongy, bingle-bongy, wingle-wongy. Right now, I'm up $20,000 on the day. So everybody in the chat who's trying to give me advice on what I should and shouldn't do, I'm gonna keep on not listening to you because I'm gonna keep on making the money. Say money. I mean, look at the fucking UK. They're putting people in jail. In the UK, they'll put you in jail if you say that you don't like Muslims. They'll put you in jail. That's the crazy part. Oh my god damn.
Hey.
God damn, woman. That is a sexy, sexy outfit. You gotta sit over there. You got the camera working today. Woo! God, that's America right there, boys.
Get ready.
That was good. That was good. I like that. The camera just pointed straight down. That was way belated for that one. He's short.
I'm a little taller.
Oh, that was funny. You can just pull the chat over there.
Hi, everybody.
You gotta do your microphone.
Jeez.
Microphone, woman.
This microphone doesn't work.
Oh yeah, it does.
Merry Christmas.
You got all the bling bling on today. You got the new Rolex on. Ooh, flash it. Show them the Rolex. Show the Rolex, honey. She got that Rolex for Christmas.
Yeah. No, I didn't get it for Christmas.
I know. Every day is Christmas for you. We were just talking about the fishing trip on Friday.
Oh yeah, that's fun.
You and D Money hooked up at the same time.
Yeah, it was epic. That's a fun time.
Oh yeah, I had a good time. Definitely got to go again.
Landon said he's better fisherman than you, though. So we need to talk about that.
Don't. I hate when you do this. Don't put Landon and I against each other. You're really causing issues.
He didn't waste any time.
No.
He didn't waste any
I
time.
know.
The Seakeeper's supposed to be working again now.
That's nice. That's working again. Was it ever working?
Well, it never worked, but now it's supposed to be works.
Okay, good. Yeah.
So, yeah.
And the Seakeeper guy came over. I saw him.
Oh, that would be why it works. It's funny because Danny texted me. He's like, "Oh, Seakeeper works." So I'm like, "Dan, what'd you do? Fix it remotely?"
No. I let him in.
Oh, nice. All right, so just sitting back here waiting and watching. I think this looks a lot like a kind of inverted head and shoulders. So really now it's like 680s. You kind of just want to hold that 680 level minimum for the bulls. The ES pushed up there, broke out of the 15-minute range, pulling back right now. So we'll see what happens. How's your Christmas going so far?
It's good, actually. Everything is going swimmingly. Work is good. Life is good. I've gotten some really nice presents. but
Ooh, she got some brands. What'd you
didn't-
get me? What'd you get me?
He doesn't know. I have a surprise for him.
What'd you get me?
tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow?
Nice.
Well, he's got a lot of presents under the tree. He better take some pictures.
I heard
of
we're
what
going
give
to
him.
a sex dungeon tomorrow.
He doesn't know where we're going.
D Money knows. You told D Money already, didn't you?
Nah,
you
she
tell
didn't
her?
tell.
I haven't told anybody.
You didn't tell
she-
D Money where
nah,
we're
she
going?
didn't tell me.
No,
We're going to a sex party. Middle of the day on a
No.
Tuesday. It's gonna be hot.
we're not doing that.
Come on. Victoria, how do you put up with PW? Somebody wants to know.
How do I put
You gotta
up
talk
with,
to the
How do I
microphone.
put up with him?
Yeah, how do you put up with me?
I don't have to put up with you. I enjoy you, honey.
Ooh, that's what I'm talking about. we were just making a wish earlier. D Money, he just said he's just trying to have a good Christmas. No baby mama drama.
Man.
Trying to make a little bit of money.
What do you want for Christmas?
I don't want no baby mama drama either. What I want for Christmas? You in a bouquet. In a what do you call it? A bow.
A bouquet.
A
Of
bouquet.
flowers.
No, you in a
Me
bouquet. You in a bouquet. You in a bow. I don't really want anything. I got everything I could ever dream of, honestly. So whatever I get is just gonna be a benefit. So, man, we are just
It's
kind
pushing.
of.
Yeah, it's holding.
I think it's gonna go higher, honestly. You just need the ES to go. If the ES,
So-
the ES is already breaking out.
It came to the bottom of that range. Remember the consolidation range?
Yeah.
It pretty much came right back to the top of the range, and then now it's pushing back up.
Yeah, I mean ES is breaking out to the upside there. Nasdaq's trying. What time is it? Almost 12 o'clock. So going to that hourly candle close. We're actually Victoria. We're going to look at the new Pyra Pilates studio in Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah, I'm excited to show you.
Nice.
I'm excited. I'm excited
Yeah.
to see how much money we're gonna make.
You can smell it in there.
Ooh.
You can smell it.
Who would have thought? I never would have thought I'd own Pilates studios. But hey, it makes money,
Crazy.
so let's go. Yeah.
I'm excited for lunch though. Getting some burgers.
Yeah, you got a spot? We're
Yeah.
going to get some burgers?
Yeah. Never been there, but it looks.
You never been?
It looks epic. Is Landino coming with us, or
Yeah, he's coming. Where is he?
is he coming to Fort Lauderdale with us?
Yeah, he's coming. He's here. All right, Nasdaq's trying to push back up. Right there at the VWAP, trying to go.
Which burger place they said? Actually, if anybody's from Fort Lauderdale, tell me if this is good. It's called Burger Stop.
Burger Stop. I mean, stop for the burgers.
So burgers in your name. You better
been there,
be
D?
given.
I haven't been
burgers,
You're not
huh?
far from Flagler Village, right?
This is in Victoria Park, so just like 5 minutes away from Flagler Village.
Yeah, no, I haven't been there.
I'll tell you if it's good. Do you like burgers?
Yeah.
Do you like burgers?
They have a
Come
specific
on now.
smash burger part of their menu.
Oh, well,
There's like
I
regular
mean-
burgers and
Oh, it's probably
smash
good.
burgers. And like all the shakes too. Oof.
Nice.
Someone said Burger Stop is great.
Okay,
I
good.
like that.
Awesome.
I like that. All right, Nasdaq just kind of holding up here at the VWAP. Will she go higher? Will she go lower? Nobody knows. Right now, it is almost 12 o'clock. I got things to do. We got places to be, people to see. I'm sure D-Money's got things to do as well, getting ready for Christmas and getting fired up here, trying to make a little bit of money this week. We did.
Oh, people are really liking the Burger Stop place. I'm really excited.
People like it?
Yeah.
They know about it?
Yeah.
Look at that. The chat. So many Burger Stop people.
How was the market? How was the day?
good.
It was good for like the first 5 minutes.
Yeah, we had to. Yeah, it was good initially, and then we had to wait for some momentum. But we're good. Yeah, we're
We
good.
good.
today.
We green.
Yeah, we're
Good
good.
We
Monday.
green.
Yeah, we'll take it.
I can afford to buy burgers for lunch. Don't worry. I ain't broke yet.
I might drag you to the mall quickly.
No. We definitely not going to the mall. No fucking way
That
am I
was the
going to the
original
mall. What is
plan.
at the mall?
That's how it
I was
starts.
just telling D Money how I
That's
haven't
how-
went to any store to buy
Yeah,
anything.
I know,
Yeah.
but I might need to. We might need to go to the mall. We needed some stocking stuffers.
We're
going-
I would
we're-
rather
I
fucking
know,
go to
but-
the dentist than
But
go
you
to
know,
the mall.
you got away with not going once, so we're gonna go for a little, just a second.
I don't want
Got
to.
him. Got him.
I don't want to go to the mall.
Got
you can't
him.
make me. You can't make me go to the mall. I won't go. I will stay right here. Sorry, we're gonna stream for the rest of the day. Sorry, I can't go to the mall now.
You
D
can
Money,
give
yeah.
me,
he
give me
just-
your credit card. I'll go to the mall. But there's no promising I'm just gonna get stocking
I mean, that's
stuffers.
fine, honestly. I'd rather that. I'd rather give you my credit card all day than go to the mall. Well, yeah, I think it's just gonna be stuck here for a while. Maybe it goes
Power
up
hour.
there. I mean, maybe it goes
do a
back
power
to the,
hour.
the 750s, 740s. But like, do I really want to sit here and wait for that to happen? Probably not, to be honest. So I think I'm ready. I'm happy with that. I like just kind of walking away, being done, and unfortunately going to the mall, I guess, is where we're going.
Somebody
Fuck.
said if he buys a car, ask him to buy you one too.
Yeah, I
Been
should.
there, done that.
How many cars have I bought you already? You had a fucking Escalade. You had a Porsche. Now you got the Bronco. That's fucking sick. 39-inch tires on the Bronco Raptor.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Nah, you're living the dream. This girl got all the fun. She get out the best life. She just wakes up and there's a new car in the driveway all the time. Never knows what she's gonna get. Got the 4Runner. Somebody said the 4Runner. Not the 4Runner. Don't talk about the 4Runner.
I think I'm gonna take back all of Patrick's gifts. Thanks for reminding me.
Wait, what? Take back the gifts.
That was a sad day, D. A G-Wagon came, my Escalade
I got
went
the
away,
G-Wagon, and
he's
then
like,
I bought her a
and then he told me,
4Runner.
because he's like, I'll get you the Porsche the night before. He's like, this is the Porsche you want.
Yeah.
A 4Runner rolls in. And I was on live too. And
It
everybody's
was
like, she
nice.
looks upset.
It was
I
a
like,
brand new 4Runner.
And she was
Brand
happy.
new 4Runner, man. Come
the
on.
Escalade V12.
It was brand new.
And he's like, here's your 4Runner.
It was a brand new 4Runner. That's fucked up. 4Runners are nice.
It might be nice
How-
if you prepared me, but the night before
Yeah, you
you're
were
like,
prepared. Yeah,
"This
you
is
thought it
the
was gonna be.
McLaren that's gonna be at the BDH tomorrow. Nope.
Oh man.
Tricked you.
Tricked you.
I said I'd bike to work every day.
How long did you keep it for?
3 days. Not even, no, 24 hours. I
Right.
actually lost money
It's-
on it
it's
because
gone.
I traded it in towards a Porsche Macan. So,
the one
Those are nice.
that I was supposed to get.
fucking A. D Money, he trying to get that Porsche. We trying to get that the electric one, right?
Yeah.
The Taycan?
Taycan, yeah.
Taycan.
Taycan 4S.
Taycan. I'll make you a deal, D. If you get to, in 2026, if you can get 10,000 viewers on the live stream consistently, I'll buy you a Taycan.
10,000.
10,000 viewers consistent.
What's
So
a
so
Taycan?
hold on. You're saying concurrent or you're saying
Concurrent, sir. Yeah. No, you.
Here, I'm a witness. I'm a witness. You need witnesses for these things.
That's
Yeah.
a pretty good deal.
You
Yeah.
do.
You
But
gotta do
that-
it
that's-
consistent. It can't be just like
that's
a
a lot-
one-day fluke.
That's
I mean, that's.
I mean, I think we're gonna
It's
yeah.
a free car, right? No one bought me a free car,
Yeah.
so
We got yeah, that's gonna take some work. Gotta
I mean,
grind.
hey.
It's
Gotta
supposed
grind.
to take work though, because
Yeah. It's gonna grind.
No, I'm
It's
gonna buy
it's
you
be a
fucking.
grind.
I'm gonna buy you night. I'm not buying you like a fucking
Yeah.
a used one. I'm gonna
Yeah.
buy you a GT, the fucking turbo. I think there's a turbo version of it, right?
Yeah, there is a turbo. Actually.
Yeah, I'll get you the fucking
Yeah,
turbo.
there's a turbo.
Oh, what color you want? White. White with the white.
Either
wheels?
white or chalk.
Chalk. Ooh,
Yeah.
I like that.
I got the
So-
chalk. I got the
Somebody
chalk
said,
BMW though.
If
Yeah.
Patrick lost all his money, would I stay? Guys, Mommy's got money. Mommy runs some Pilates businesses. We're gonna be okay.
Mommy.
I take care of him.
Mommy. The other day we were going somewhere on the boat and some old guy went by us and he went like this. I waved at him and he just went.
Yeah, he was like old.
I'm like, oh, is that?
was so
Does that mean hello? And
Where
you're,
in Fort Lauderdale?
no, like on the river.
Yeah.
Or
Oh,
on the boat.
on the
and we were
river.
just like
I'm
driving
I'm not
by.
surprised
and
on the
some
river,
guy
though.
went like
I'm not
this.
surprised on the river though. Yeah, you got probably
What's
some
that guy
old
doing?
pervs. Man. Yeah, hey, that's a goal. We're gonna push.
Well, yeah. All right. I want to see what happens right here at this close. They got 2 minutes just to see if we're gonna go, and then we're gonna get out of here.
It's looking pretty good. 5-minute chart.
Thank you, Optim40. You made up for your comment. I remember your comment on the boat this past weekend, but you made up for it with that one. Thank you.
Victoria, it's all good if you get taken care of. That's what men want to do anyway.
Remember, this is the one that was trolling me on the boat.
I
I
don't
don't forget.
What did he say on the boat?
He's probably like, oh crap. She
Yeah, it was
remembered.
something to do with the fish I caught or something like that. And I got very offended, but either way, it's in the past.
About the fish?
Something on the Friday. Either way.
Oh man.
Made up for it.
God, the haters be hating.
No,
They
he's
can't.
made up for it. It's okay.
The haters be hating. There's that pump. This is I mean, I think. There you go. That hourly candle closing finally breaking out
He said
there.
it was jokes.
See, people remember.
He's like, what happened was. Oh, felony. Yeah, what happened to felony? PW.
I
So
don't
remember,
remember,
he's
I don't
supposed to
remember
drop-
$1,000.
Yeah, he got
Clearly,
MIA.
he was just he catfished us.
Yeah. Where's his
We got how many likes now?
Yeah, 2100.
Yeah, 2,100. Where's $1,000 at felony? This guy coming in here and saying he was dead.
Here's a pump.
Edward said that Victoria fishes like a pro. Ow.
Thanks, Edward.
Hit myself in the head there.
Who got you that, by the way? That's cool.
4X Ike. It's the from Happy Gilmore.
Oh, it's so sick.
Actually comes with like a little sock and everything.
Oh, nice 4X Ike. Nice Ike. I should just say Ike.
Yeah. See, little sock.
Oh, that's cool.
Just put it in there. It's like I have fun. I mean, I think you,
Always getting my bad side, eh, Jason?
I'll gift it to the editor next year.
Yeah.
Christmas.
I mean, editor.
Hey, editor, I got you a present.
Re-gift.
You've
He'd
never
be like,
seen it before.
Wait, didn't you get that? No,
You
I
got
never got that.
you gotta wrap it.
He plays golf.
Yeah.
I don't really play golf. So.
Re-gift.
All right. Here, take a picture of my fucking $25,000 in profit. Or $24,000. I don't know how many fucking numbers that is. Too much numbers. We're making money live. We got sales going on. Use the code PW. Tradeify's popping off. It's all happening. We about to go. We got to go. I'm calling the Uber and then we going. I'm just gonna go anyway. So there it is. Big thank you guys for tuning in. It's 12 o'clock. Don't expect to have D-Money on here later. He said if you guys donate $1,000 to the stream right now, he will stream later. But it's got to happen right now. 1,000. Who's gonna donate 1,000? You can't even do it if you tried. So that's it. We're happy. Big thanks to all the support. Victoria, always great to have you stop by. The chat really loves it. I don't know why. I mean, whatever. Landon in the background there. You ready, Landon? You hungry?
Yeah.
Burgers? What you gonna get?
We're
I don't
going
know.
to-
Burger. We're getting burgers. You want a burger, boy? Burger boy. All right. Well, then that's all we got. The BDH looking absolutely beautiful. I gotta get a bigger. We need a bit. It's gotta be bigger. I don't know. Well, what do I do with this one?
You know, you just need multiple. You need one here, then you need one on the West Coast.
Yeah, we gotta buy a boat for D Money too. call it Little Money.
Like the
Little 10-footer.
no, like the car. Remember the car, the one you saw in Miami?
Oh no, trust me, I got a better
Too
boat.
bigger.
I got a better boat for you. Watch, I got a way better boat. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah. Oh man, the D Money boat, boys. Get ready. Right there, look at him. D Money gonna be ripping that thing. Come on, D.
Oh man.
It's actually pretty sick.
Yeah,
Sick.
it's funny.
This one. This little money boat. The back of the name would be Little Money. All right, it gets better though. I got one more better. This one. Just little. Look, it's called Little Miss Sally.
Oh God.
Come
Looks
on.
like you can control it with a remote.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
D Money gonna be out there fishing. Maybe this one. What is that thing? What is that thing?
Oh, call it pocket change. That's good. So this is your skiff should be named Pocket Change.
No, it's a little money boat.
Actually,
I think
really
should
like
be the
that.
name. There we go. Can't go wrong with little John boat. Nah, this right here. Again, a little twin V, little Little boat.
That's a
Name
good,
on the
that's a
side.
good
Little
one.
boat. Little D.
Lil D.
Little D. Little D coming
If
soon.
you have a little D, then you need one that says big D. You need a match.
Oh, we got one. It says liquidated. All right. Well, big thank you to everybody tuning in, supporting the stream, hitting the like button, supporting the channel, man. We're at 600,000 subscribers. We're growing rapidly. I think we're gonna hit 1 million before we know it. I'm putting the 1 million plaque on the wall, then I'm retiring. I remember at one point, I'm not gonna lie, I don't want to go all back into stories time here, but I remember at one point, man, remember that video where I was like, I hit 5,000 subscribers, and I'm like, I literally said, I was like, I think one day we can be the biggest day trading live stream that there is. And I said that when I had 5,000 subscribers. So people always ask me, like, what's the secret, you know, to being successful? And I think truly you have to just like believe, right? You gotta fucking believe so insanely that it just like, it's stupid to believe, right? I mean, you know, D, like,
Yeah.
you emailed me and you're like, oh, like, I doubt he's gonna respond, right? I doubt he's gonna even respond to my email.
I had to shoot
but,
my
like,
shot.
You gotta try. You gotta
just
try.
You
I mean,
gotta put
Victoria's
yourself out
perfect
there.
example,
Yep.
right?
Yeah.
You never owned a Pilates studio before, but you were a customer.
Yeah.
And you thought to yourself, you're like, well, I go to Pilates, I spend
Yeah,
money
it's
at
facts.
Pilates, I know what makes a Pilates studio good. So what if I open my own Pilates studio?
I always wanted to be a business owner. I always like had it in me, and like it definitely takes a certain individual. So you either know you have it or you don't, but you have to
Yeah.
take the chance when you have it. You can't just wait for something to come. And obviously, it was great time, right opportunity, and it's very evident that we got into the market of hot Pilates studios right when it started to pick up, which is really fantastic. Yeah, we did good.
I like it.
You
Money,
did
money,
good.
money.
You did good. You pushed me in the right direction, and I ran with it.
I love it. Well, there it is. Big thank you to everyone in the chat for your support, the stream. I mean, we're just kind of holding there at the VWAP for now. I think maybe at some point this wants to go higher. The ES did make new highs, which is interesting.
Yeah,
The
so
ES
maybe
did make new highs
Maybe
on
that
that last push.
NQ's gonna
so
follow.
the ES is really going here, while the Nasdaq's just kind of stuck. But it's funny because the ES is up 60% on the day. The Nasdaq's up 50%. So it's interesting because they are very much, they're in line with the percentage gain. I think that the Nasdaq just gapped up more overnight. So maybe that's why it's just kind of having trouble going here. We'll see what happens. We'll be back here live tomorrow morning, me and D-Money at the BDH. Don't you forget, the biggest, the largest, we're doing it live from the BDH. It's that time of year, my favorite time of year. Christmas time, oh, Christmas time. It's Christmas time with me. It's the magic of the Christmas time, and everybody's me. So there it is. Big thank you, guys. I'll see you tomorrow morning. We're doing it live at the BDH. Let's go. All I really want, all I want for Christmas is D-Money, D-Money, D-Money.
Having a party on Christmas Eve, and they got a whole lot of Christmas glee, whole lot of gifts I'd like to receive. And you know, all year I've been planting them seeds. Everybody in here, VIP, old Saint Nick, that's the MC. Gotta see him turn down some old CDs, playing all your favorite songs from A to Z. Feliz Navidad, no eggnog, more Kool-Aid. Oh yeah, yeah. All I really want for Christmas, all I really want oh yeah. Oh, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.